discover that when I talk about the issue of Nigeria, they are not quite much in. Apologies to the Igbo people as well in regards to the last video I made, because I get to discover that when I talk about the issue of Nigeria, they are not quite much interested in that. So I tend to wonder, are these people fifth columnists just like the government has painted them, or are they actually saying reality? But don't just put that everything on me. I like seeing things for myself before I establish a mindset. And if I must tell you the truth, I have actually seen the reality. And the reality is the fact that with the present reality of Nigeria at the moment, I am telling you, the delusion of one Nigeria is going to remain nothing but a mirage, nothing but a scam, a collection of an adventure that is all about annihilating people that doesn't have voice, and actually promoting people that by virtue of their restless prig have actually succeeded in producing children that are going to remain a disaster, not just to this present generation, but to the next generation. And in that regards now, in short, let me tell you something. If I'm even to be unalive, or if I'm even to be no more today, I am telling you, I'm putting this as a wish. I will prefer to be buried in Igbo land. And in that regards now, I am telling you my solidarity in regards to the concept of dissolving this scam, this adventure that is all about annihilating people that they perceive that by virtue of population they are non-entities. I am telling you. And in this regards, together, it's either we buy all for this thing, or at the end of the day, the right thing must be done. My apologies to you as well, but let's forge ahead. Let's forge ahead. I am telling you, at this point in time, I've established a mindset. I don't care any idiot that is talking about everything. Give Yoruba man his part, or regionalize it. Give Igbo man his part. And in regards the concept of the North entirely, the North must be deconstructed on the virtue of referendum. I am telling you, if there must be peace in this country, sincerely speaking, and that is the reality. Once bitten, twice shy. You can't fool me for.
Understand this morning, afternoon, or night, depending on where you are. The first man to call for the division of Nigeria was a Yoruba man, Mr. Modiyu Adeniyi Oshinowo, and he was killed. Why? He said, if Pakistan can break away from India, if they can disgrace Awolowo the way they did, sooner or later they will be defecating on our heads. They will be using our head as a WC, as toilet. This man said this thing in 1960, as you were celebrating your useless flag independence. A Yoruba man, a visionary, Modiyu Adeniyi Oshinowo said, if we allow this nonsense to continue, they will come into our land and they will take it. And it's happening to you today. And Yoruba journalists is very right. Prescribed IPOB, prescribed our nation, our country. Zoological Republic of Nigeria, a Yoruba man. Let me use your term, secessionist. The foremost secessionist in Nigeria is a Yoruba man, Mr. Modiyu Adeniyi Oshinowo. I tweeted it. Go to my Twitter, you will see it there. Because you don't know history, you have no regard for knowledge and education. But here we educate you, we enlighten you, we bring to your understanding things that you would rather not know about. You run away from it, we bring it to your attention. Pakistan was with India, Bangladesh, all of them. Very soon Kashmir will be free. We are not one people. Why don't you get into your skull? Britain had all of them together as one country, as one India. They said, no, we are not together. They said to the white man, with due respect, we are not the same people. Hindus are different from Muslims. Pakistan is not the same as India. They left. Bangladesh left. Everybody on their own. And that is, of course, relative peace and quiet. You bring some vandals, some blood-sucking demons from the Sahel. You bring people who believe in monarchy, in bowing down before somebody. You bring Republicans from the East. You join them together as one country. Why don't you go and bring Saudi Arabia and bring them into the United Kingdom and say let's be one country? You see if you have peace in one day in your life. All of you read the Bible, you don't know anything from it. You read the Quran, you learn nothing from it. Funny enough, the Torah is also the Quran and also the Christian Bible. The same story everywhere. You are in the Quran, you claim you are Al-Majri, you claim you are Janjaweed, you are in Islam, you go to Mecca, you come back. But in the same book you're reading, Abraham called the nephew Lot and said, if we continue to stay together, your cattle is expanding, mine is expanding, your household, one day there'll be a clash. The same way Nana having a clash between Fulani bandits and Eastern Security Network. Don't you have the Bible? Don't you open your Bible? All of you claim you're religious, isn't it? Those of you claiming one Nigeria, let's say they're seceding. I want you to please go and open your Bible. As foolish as you are, open your Bible, open your Quran this morning. In the zoo, open it. Abraham was related to Lot by blood. By blood, I said by blood. At a time, Abraham said to Lot, his own flesh and blood, if we continue to stay this way, your headsmen will clash with mine, and there'll be trouble and bad blood between us. In order to avoid it, please, you are my own brother, my own flesh and my own blood. Let me divide this land into two. You, first of all, take one, and I will take the other one, that peace may reign. Is in your Quran, isn't it? But you want one Nigeria. Can Nigeria really contain all of us? The answer is no, because Nigeria was created by Satanists, a demonic white man and a deranged, a drunkard, a deranged white woman.
Just want to pass a message. We can come in. We can do what we need to do. And there are some hardliners in this government that are sponsoring this kind of narratives. They just want to show that they can Islamize this country. They think about Taliban. They think about the Mujahideens. And they want to replicate it in this country. And they don't care what happened. They simply don't care. As long as at the end of the day, there's Sharia and there is whatever thing they have in their head they want to achieve. So these people that are sending messages are sponsored by Nigerians. You remember this Boko Haram issue started since 2012. Yeah. And I was in the military intelligence that time. We arrested those people. It is my organization that actually conducts interrogation and interview. And they mention names. I mean, I can't come on air and start mentioning names of people that are presently in government now that I know. Presently in government. That the boys that we arrested mentioned. Some of them are governors now. Some of them are in the Senate. Some of them are in Asu Rock. The intention is to Islamize Nigeria and practice Sharia. And it doesn't matter if some people die. It doesn't matter if you're embarrassed. It doesn't matter if our economy has generated. Look at the interest rate. Look at the inflation rate. Look at the debt profile of Nigeria. They don't care. As long as at the end, the Quran is at the sea. So some people in this country have this mindset. And we must tell the truth. If you tell the truth, you die. If you don't tell it, you die. Some people have this mindset to Islamize the nation. And they are in the government. And people know them. The DSS know them. The NIA know them. The DIA knows them. You can't succeed without an inside person. And this attack you saw has insiders collaboration.
By now aware of the fact that 2 days ago, the United States of America and Israel attacked the state of Iran killed its leader and a number of very senior political and military officers, as well as a number of other citizens. In the last 40 years I was there for, with the entire region in the Middle East and neighboring countries has been aflame. Fights, rockets, and the world has sat up. This event was foreseeable, and one can say, given by the precedence of President Trump and Israel, almost inevitable. Clearly, the United States had decided to effect regime change, meaning removal of the entire leadership of Iran, and maybe installing a different one or giving a chance to the citizens.
All right, sorry about that. I have to wait until I share the video the way I want to share it. So I'm back again. Please make sure you like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel in case if you have not. Subscribe. And if this is the first time you are watching us, this is Kai Report, and please, I want to see your comments to know how many of us that are here. We have 4 people, if I'm not mistaken. The first person here is Mazi. He said, "No, Jerry Okonkwo." Jerry Okonkwo said, "Mazi Kai and Ndewo to you." And our own brother Onoma Kenechukwu. Mama Kenechukwu says, "Hi, Kai Report. Good afternoon from here. Good afternoon to you." Obonna Samuel Obioma, good afternoon to you. And James Njoko, good evening, Mazi Kai Report. Good evening to you. And please, welcome back. Now, yesterday I saw a video from UGO247. And that is why I said to come here to talk about it. Was not when I saw that it was too late for me to make any video or respond on that. The video is not about me, okay, and I'm not here to attack UGO247. But I just want to put this in the right path, because this level of lies is not good, and we need to condemn it. UGO247 said that people should not come and use the video to lie against him, and he said it very, very clear. Okay, and but he did not say that in a way. What if he himself lied? What people should do? He did not say that. So, like I said, I am not here to attack him, but to set the record straight. Many of us have seen what is going on. Everybody with their own opinion. But if you pay attention very, very well, you will see reasons behind what they're doing. The reason why some of you are not seeing it, or two things involved. Maybe if you don't understand what I'm talking about, is either you are as bad as they are, or you are just so ignorant of what is going on. Maybe you are just following by what Okechukwu said. You don't see it, you don't have data to listen to programs of everybody to understand what people stand for. How will you feel that if I come up, begin to talk about something that happened to you, maybe your family or your loved one, something that you know very, very well how the whole thing started and how the whole thing is going, and the feeling people have about it. If I begin to talk about that kind of thing or something like that, if you listen to me talking about your family member or your own family, or even about you, you know yourself, you know what is going on, and while listening to me, you find out that what I'm saying is totally different from what you know. Remember, I said something that you know, not you are the witness to most of those things. In fact, you are in position to tell other people. And you watch my video when I'm talking about that. You watch me talking about that. And when I'm talking about it, I'm saying something contrary to what happened, like something that is not even in line with what you know, that exactly this is how it happened, how will you feel? How will you take me? That's exactly how we see most of you lying publicly without having any break. The reason why most of you are doing that is simply because you have issue with somebody, and because of that problem that you have with that person, you want the general public, the entire nation to side you, so that the person will not join hands together to fight your battle. Because to you, you are the one that call it your battle, and you are the one that even draw the battle line. Whereas nobody is challenging you, you choose your own opponent, you choose the battlefield, you choose when to fight. Whether the person will come to fight you, whether the person is going to fight you, you are not even sure. You just say it, and you expect people to come and join you to fight that fight. There are difference between personal problem and general problem. Okay, so I'm saying this because of the video of UGO. And Favor, I see you. You said, hi, bro, Sky. How are you to you? I hope all is well with you. How are you? How are you, my dear? And please, like I said, if you are new, please subscribe and like the video. We are just 16 minutes to the program, and we are going straight to that video. Please pay close attention to hear what UGO said here. I'm not gonna waste much time, so I don't need to wait for anybody.
From you are welcome to this wonderful program today. I may not be long. I just want us to see things the way they are. And I would like somebody to challenge me by telling me that what you are saying now is not the truth. Not going behind to lie or to say rubbish or to talk nonsense or to comment rubbish. How do you know you are sure of what you are saying? When you come out, you will say that thing you want to say in the public, and you will be proud to say it. You'll be bold to say it and defend it. Not when you go behind, you talk one, you go behind, you talk another one. No, those days has gone. Let us be bold enough and they know what thing we they do and how we they do them and why we they do them. So Namibia this, Namibia UGO247. I saw something today that
John
Okasalamisi,
my brother, I see you.
The thing,
welcome.
That's it. All menemnisi jagam, and I could not take it. I couldn't take it. So the thing just like ringing alarm, bah, bah, bah. I said, no, I must come out and address this and make sure that Biafrans, we meaning Biafrans, because when you say Biafrans, there are everybody will be Biafra, know the understand like Biafra. Yes, every Biafra, when the Biafras, you understand? Every Biafra, where Biafras.
Easy way.
Like you say, there are people that Iberiberism has eaten their medulla oblongata. People that cannot owe up to what they do or what they say. They cannot be proud, they cannot be bold to stand up and say, let me do this one, let me talk up. No. And you will never know who these people are. They will always hide their identity. Their identities will be hidden. You come out in the public to tell you blah, 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 blah.
Greetings.
They will come out and tell you, yeah, blah, 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 someone else, blah, blah, blah.
Greetings to you.
Come out and they tell us what you are saying. No, they will not come out because you can never know who they are, because these people are not true. So I don't even mind when they come to my platform to comment their useless comment. I don't look at them. I ignore them. I overlook them because There are fake people everywhere.
My
So,
friend,
like I said, I greet everyone once again, anywhere you they come from. I greet you. If you have anything to comment, I beg you to come up and comment what you want to comment. Come out. Even if you don't want to come out with your picture, come out and tell us what you want to tell us. Not coming out, not typing in the comment section your fake name, your fake picture. You carry picture. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a man that has done or is doing it, because till now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still did to tell you say Naim. Imagine Nigeria say they don't sentence him to life imprisonment. He did there, they tell you say Namibi, the leader of IPOB. He no change mouth. You know what in that one mean? You know what in that mean? Many of us only just to ikuku. Hey, I not be IPOB. I am not in government. I am not this one. Well, today I want us to take a look at something very crucial or very important. I want us to see. There is this thing I want us to see today. There is a picture I saw, and I say it will be good to bring this picture and we talk about this picture.
Greetings to you.
It will be very wise and good and beautiful if we can talk about this picture. Yeah, it will be good we discuss this picture today.
All right, so UGO said he was just on his own. All of a sudden, he stumbled on a video or a picture or a post that has this. God, I beg. UGO, our own brother. UGO247, how did you know? My brother, I'm not laying curse on anybody, but I'm just trying to tell you that this your new pattern, this your new lifestyle is shocking. That I would not need to lie. Honestly, do you know that I learned something from what you are doing now? In this life, don't swear for anybody. You see, Kai report, the way I'm talking now. Don't just say, oh, Kai report, I can swear. No, I cannot swear for you either. I don't trust you, don't trust me. Because how on earth, this our brother, when I'm talking to him, I feel like I'm talking to like somebody that's on that like somebody that is as genuine as anything. I know that in life, power, Ochichi. One of them, that's one gospel artist, the old one, like is it like if you go to history, in the Bible book, you can see for Ochichi Megori, my father watch it like power, be political power, religious power. Power is, some people can do anything because of power. I'm telling you. And sometimes because of Nene, you see finish. Not even see finish. This one, DPM is not that. I can't refer her like, I can't say that people have seen her as finished, because she's actually very, very conservative. She's very, very, she's a private person. People don't know much about her. I don't know much about her. Like, she's not the kind of person that bring herself out like PM. These are people that are somehow reserved. They know the limit of on what they're gonna show you, what they want you to see. They know how to show you what they want to see. They are not lousy. So I cannot use the word see finish. I think this issue is about gender. One of the problems that most of these people have is gender issue. And it's very, very sad that have been in Europe, in America, in a country that people see as an advanced country, and yet the way you are still reasoning backward, very, very backward. So each time I watch or listen to UGO247, I always ask myself, what is his problem? I mean, what is that thing that is disturbing you? What exactly is your problem? What exactly? So do you know that some of the things that you are saying, my brother Ugo, it makes you look like not foolish but useless. I'm not insulting you. I'm just telling you the way you present words sometimes, if not all these days. Honestly, your video, once people click on your video, 1, 2, 3 minutes alone, you can see idiocy. You can see something that nobody knows you of. I, for one, I don't see you as someone that is like that. No. Do you know this your argument here is so it looks so childish? Flyers. Okay, you know what? Let me not stop him from saying it because the video is in public. No, don't tell me that I hack anybody's phone and brought out the video. Is out there. Okay, so just join me. Hear this for you. Just hear it to yourself. Don't watch it with any sentiment. Just calm down. Forget about his sin in the past. Relax your mind and tell me what sense is in this video. What he said here? Of what sense he says is that? God. Anyway, if Mazi Akwa is doing that, I understand. If Parawa is sounding like this, I understand. Not you go to that. A man that have what he's doing, you have your work, I believe, but I don't live with you though. You have everything, like your family, everything. You okay? You okay? What you told me at the beginning of all this things is still very fresh in my mind. That you have time to relax, cool off, and even be with your family. I was one telling you, it doesn't matter. Nobody is chasing you out on social media, but at least you can come up and do something. You're a mature man for crying out loud. If Lasma is sounding like this, you or four people will be sounding the same way. But hey, nah, I'm very, very shocked. Oh. This one, no. Ọ na wadi be gwa m nke na aka again. Mo ya mama gwa m na ife dị ụta. No, I'm not saying hey, mba no drop possible. Only pastor kwuo mma say mba. We go for people. Todos to base yare like this. I can dey kwona say give mo chiwawa. I'm on me for chiwawa. What is chiwawa about what we are saying? What is chiwawa about it? Is that your own way of calming your own anger, quenching your anger? It's not going to quench your anger. Do you know what that will mean? What that will do to you? It will, intensify the heat. In my that's why my conscience is very, very pure. I did not advise the time I advised Lazuba. No. Not the public, on phone call. Because when she called me, we were talking. Little advice that I gave her, the way she kicked out, make sure to advise. I can't advise somebody who don't have ear. How can I advise you? I don't know how to. I don't know sign language. If you cannot hear, you cannot listen. Why will I waste my energy and advice? Your own, your response, everything is in line with what I was expecting. To this thing that Lasma is not using you to do program. Nah. Unbelievable. Wow.
So this picture you are seeing here, sorry for those watching from Facebook. I don't know how to do it because Facebook is if I try to share from Stream Studio, they are blocking me. I could not go live.
Before you even go for that, let me welcome some of our brothers on the comment section before the too much, because a lot of comment is coming here. I have welcome Justin because I must greet you, my brother. I see you. They were our own Mazi and they were Oliver also is here with us. I greet you, Olivers, or Kevin, one of us, Oyembamba. I greet you. Nwaga Ikuna, come on, Nalodia. See another again, my brother. Chima, Obi John, I have a great. I send my greetings to you, Chima. Is there another person? I don't want to miss anybody. Today is Saturday. Augustina or Obiko, I think I send my greetings to you. Down here we have Misami, our own brother, always active. I see you. Benedict, is that Benedict? Okay, Benedict. I see you, Benedict. I see you. Yeah, Maragim. I think you are new to me. I'm just seeing your name for the first time. I don't know if I don't know if you are new to us. Official, I greet you, official. Benjamin Ugo, our own brother. I see you. Happy weekend to you, Benjamin, and our own brother Daniel. Daniel, okay, Balanon I greet you. Happy weekend to you. So let's continue. Please, I want you to understand Ugo's problem. I want you to understand his problem. Maybe some of you may have remedy to that. Maybe you have advice. Maybe you have something to say. Honestly, now this one, the shame of this one, they shame me. I'm not gonna lie. Flyers. Okay, no problem. Frank Ibe. I see you, Frank. You are welcome. I greet you. Ugo, please tell them your problem.
Studio. I don't know why. So I may be showing you the pictures from phone, and those in YouTube and Twitter will be seeing it directly. The picture, I will show you the picture, then I will start talking or say what I want to say. You see the picture? Many of you may have seen this picture. You see Mazi, Onyendu, Nnamdi Kanu down.
Can you look at picture on a good never? Okay, maybe not gonna record there. Okay, I'll tell the picture, something like that. So you just want to show you the picture and you know about if these flyers, okay. I hope you are seeing that, or should I just share it with you? Okay, you know what? Let me see if I can. Okay. Oh, I already use it. Don't worry, I already use it on my picture here, so you can see that. You can see it. This picture, these flyers here that say United States of Biafra, DPM on top, PM and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, yeah, but say that but no sign of no that case which you put the front prime minister back to Nigeria. No, that goes at it. Hi. Nah.
You see Simon Ekpa center. You see Ngozi Oraveze top. So I will be explaining what this picture means.
Okay.
So today I saw this picture. I saw this picture of Ngozi Oraveze. If you look at the description I made in the video, you will see that Ngozi Oraveze has been battling with so many things at the same time and want to do so many things. She's a hijacker anyway.
Oh, now from this point, I will be pausing it and putting my own opinion. Last time I checked, you are one of those who claim that Ngozi Oraveze is not doing anything. That she just they mention one thing she has done. That has been the argument. This your video. You are not saying that she's doing too much. She's doing. She's not doing so many things. So simply better not about too much. I can go now because I don't understand your line of argument. You said that she have not done anything. Mention what she has done here. You are not saying that she has been battling and trying to do so many things. Doing so many things, you do not say that those things are negative things. So after saying that, they say, oh, she's a hijacker. Now let's follow how she hijacked it.
And what she's been hijacking, but the thing be say, Ima, when all these people, I don't know if you've come across all these people now on a park, all this park, now hang on shine here, then on here, hang on shine here. They forget what they did yesterday. Tomorrow they begin afresh. Now make I tell you,
Chris,
when I come out last year, I made it clear that Ngozi Orabueze is a self-made deputy prime minister. Una no understand them. Ngozi Orabueze is still also self-made deputy head of state. Una no agree. Ngozi Orabueze still today, and upon all this, she's still the
wait, let me understand, because my brain is somehow struggling to understand you. Ngozi Orabueze is a self-made deputy prime minister. Self-made deputy prime minister. Then she's now Ngozi Orabueze at the same time self-made head of state. What is the difference between what is the difference between deputy head of state and deputy prime minister? Please, somebody should. Most of you that are very, very educated and intelligent, because we go speaking in a very deep language. I think the vocabulary is too big. What does it mean? I mean, please, someone should let me know. Ngozi Orabueze is a self-made prime minister, self-made deputy prime minister, and a self-made deputy head of state. What is prime minister? Prime minister is not head of state. Please, I'm asking. Somebody should. I'm waiting. Let me see on the comment section. What? Please, somebody should just explain this to me, because I'm here to learn though. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Ngozi Orabueze is a self-made deputy prime minister, and Ngozi Orabueze is a self-made deputy head of state. Paul said, good evening, Mazi report. I thought that stupid ended at the DOS people, but never know that the main organ of stupidity is still coming, which is useless. Ugo. My brother, honestly, my own, I'm not actually good in EMR and so let's reply you if you go and go talk that now. I'm actually saying it from the part of not that what he's doing is saying is good. The insult on DPM is, that one is a no-go area. You know why? Not only on DPM, FAMD or Geneva France, calling people that are responding to people like Lazuba, calling everybody Chihuahua, is another insult that is not forgiving. It's not forgiving. But I always give you time to show that's my own. I do my rush to respond to people. I will give you time. You talk, show yourself. After that, then we can start. We go back to square one to pick it, because you cannot just face a circle like that. No. If you think that leading, listen. Wait, let me bring this comment from Daniel. If you think that talking about Biafra or leading, it might have consequences if you see the implication, it might be threat, not from outside, within we have a lot of crap. We bucket. Outside. That is the mentality of many of our people. They can undermine you, rubbish you to achieve what I don't know. Honestly. Anyway, please. All this thing is very, very painful. Very, very painful. Oh, you just because you are so eager to blackmail DPM, you are not trying to undermine her position in the government that you claim that you guys have been there to claim you have been there all along. When PM was here, all of you were together. You knew how PM value her. You know who she is. Like I've said the time with that number. The reason why PM emphasizes more on surrogacy is just because, he understands that many of you don't know what is called respect. You don't know what is called like chain of command. You don't know what is called authority, how to respect office. Forget about the person in the office and focus on the office itself. If you value PM, like you say, that structure must not be jeopardized. But guess what? All of you, mention one of you that are actually sensible now. Everybody running helter-skelter. Running helter-skelter. Give me to that. Mention one person that was in the cabinet that should think us as if that is an achievement. Okay, since all of you said that you don't want to stay with her, you don't want to accept, you don't want to stand on what PM actually believe on. You guys should have united together and show us how to get it better. If Ngozi is the problem, why are you guys splitted? If she's the problem, she is the problem, right? Why are you not, all of you not united? Today, from media angle, Biafra United is somewhere. Mazi Akwa in another part, Sona Marawa in another part, Vision 555, and that was without any vision. It wasn't before, was no vision now. No, everything just you walk with the PM. That's all. If you go about UGO247, you don't know what now. If she is the problem, what stops you guys to be in one page? You can't be in one page because she's not the problem. Do you understand? As simple as that. When Mazi was kidnapped, Biafran begins to worry, begin to ask questions. Who is going to take us now? Where are we going to start? What must we do next to showcase what Mazi represents? Because the respect that Mazi has, what he man spend his time to achieve and to prove, DOS never do where people gather together just to rubbish it. PM came up with Ayoke. We about touch like that. For now, the problem. Had it been that PM did not step up then, by now everybody would be blaming Mazi. Oh, not Kalimenka. Oh, Kalimenka. Oh, he would have appointed PA. Why did he even appoint Chike? The same. But because of the presence of PM, those arguments ended sharply. You are claiming that she's not Sniabo DPM, not Sniabo. He self-acclaimed according to you. She made herself DPM. She made herself everything you just said there. In absence of PM, in an organization or government that don't have deputy prime minister, you have COS. When she was working as COS, who was doing the job of deputy prime minister, even a PM present? Was she not the one? If you're in doubt, PM is supposed to be in Korea. Most of these places that PM is supposed to be, for example, in Japan. The video when she traveled there, is out there. Why is it that Iba Madam was not the one sent to Japan or to Korea? Why is it not Ogekere? Why is it not even you? Why must it not be Mazi Akwa? Oh, what about Professor Chomo Okoma, Ruben Nade? Why are they not the ones sent to Japan? Because everybody can know because you are not doing what you're supposed to do. You are busy trying to rubbish, not only you, some all of you. That's why I said, 100%. 100%. I don't know what the lady called Dorothy is doing now. I don't know how, but her quietness is okay. I don't know if she's one of the people tuning these voices you are hearing. She may be the one behind doing that. I cannot swear for her, but so far so good. I have not seen anybody talking about her after her resignation. It seems like she just maintained her peace and stay calm. Why can't you do the same as a man? I'm not saying you should not talk about Biafra, God forbid. But when you're talking about Biafra, can you say it, talk about it with all sincerity, with all in all honesty? Don't bring this propaganda, by backting, try to tear people down, try to, rubbish people's name, rubbish the image, just for what? You are trying to prove a point. For what, Kwan? You are exposing yourself without knowing. Thank you so much, Armstrong. God bless you. I really appreciate it. May your days be long. Thank you. River Goddess. I see you. I see you. I see you. So many people in the comment section. Onome Kenechuku. I see you. Onoma. I think your comment is coming often. I've sent my greetings to you before. Who again? Njoko. Njoko, I see you. I greet you, Njoko. You're welcome. Our own sister. I greet you. I cannot, because your name appears as email. So the one I can figure out here is Njoko from NJOKU. I see you, and we have Benedict. I've sent my greetings to you before now, and River Goddess. God bless you. Armstrong, who just spachat us. I see you. God bless you. Thank you so much, Daniel. Another Daniel is here. I greet you, Daniel. You're welcome. I think you are new to me. This is my first time of seeing your comment. Our own sister. I see you. That was okay, Margaret. Yeah, you are the one. Tochuku. I see your comment. Anyway, please. I'm sorry for going back to the comment because I have to
manage the she is still in possession of power in the office of COS. She has not given anybody that position. COS today boldly, clear, Ngozi Oragbeze has come out to tell you that she is the head Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Oragbeze, DPM, and the acting head of state. You will see it anywhere you see this poster. Go and look out for it. You will see it boldly. Not that this one is not secret that you go 247 is lying against Ngozi, because when I remember very well when I told you people January last year 2025 that Ogenkere plan is to become the prime minister. Una say, baya. Today it has materialized. It is fully unveiled today. Ogenkere tell you say nine be the prime minister. Una see. So Ngozi Oragbeze today, look at the picture. Look at it there. She said that she is the acting deputy prime minister, and she is still the DPM, and she is still the what do you call it? She is still the DPM, she is still the COS, and she is deputy head of state, and she is still the same acting head of state. Una don't see this kind of thing. Listen, Ngozi Oragbeze is the deputy head of state, acting head of state, deputy prime minister, COS, one person in her own organization, only her, no second person, no second man, no running mate. Una don't see this kind of thing. Even if now all this small like Los Zeus, they see Los Zeus. Yeah, and when they do in NGO, if they get people with the help and run things, you go tell somebody, give this person this money. But this one, now they do everything herself. Now, when you look at the picture, look at it. You see Ngozi Oragbeze on top. This thing I'm telling you is not an old. It's not an old flyer. This is a flyer that came out maybe just this week for their tomorrow fundraising. Now you see Ngozi on top, you see Simon Ekpa down, then you see Nnamdi Kanu Onyendu onye ndu Nnamdi Kanu down. For those who know they understand anything. For those the way no one understand anything, I want to ask you a question. Who is Ngozi Orabueze to be on top, being the acting head of government, acting head of a government, then carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu picture, Simon Ekpa picture, putting under Ngozi that don't even know the meaning of Biafra. If you think I'm lying, I've been saying it. Let Ngozi come out and they challenge me. Make we talk about Biafra. I go ask him question. Ngozi,
I swear that I used to doubt that the reason why you go left is because of position. Many of you have heard me saying that here. Maybe you have watched my video many times. I've said that no, it's not, that the go is not fighting for position. I was wrong, go. I swear this video, there's no way on that. Your problem is position. For you to come here, I was. Please, can anybody confirm it? Here. Can anybody say? How many of you have heard my video, have watched my video, or heard me saying that UGO was not fighting for position? How many of you have seen me saying that, or have you listened to me saying that before? Can anybody confirm? I have said it many times here that people say that no, UGO is fighting for position. I always tell you no, it's not about position. That UGO is not fighting for position, right? I was wrong, man. I was wrong. This video has just proved that this our brother problem is position. Thank you, Armstrong. I was wrong. It is position. There's no two ways. There's no way he gets you with deny the position. How can he not be position? How can he not be position, my brother? You okay, let us just go back. You were given a position. You resigned. Listen, you were given a position, you resigned. If DBM fixed herself, they begin to do that. He says she occupied position. And come to think of it, you also said, Benjamin, thank you. I'm happy that many of you are confirming it. Only to God, I see you. God bless you, sir. Oliver also and Sabinus. I see all of you on the comment. Please, if I've not mentioned your name, please keep your comments coming. Maybe once my eyes may get to your comment and I will call you, I will mention your name. You see, you cannot just pretend that you are not fighting for position. My brother, I swear, in a trouble position with the Panaka. Now, you claim that she occupied all this position. Is that not the position that you said is fake? I thought she made herself, her own group. For you to call that her own group, why are you there? Why are you not interested about how she, shared the position then? I thought it's her own group. For you like now, can't report to form a group, my WhatsApp group now, and I begin to share position in my WhatsApp group. And because you don't want to call it government, you call it group. Then you told people, this group is not for all of, it's not for us. So Nkiruka just created this group for himself. Okay. Then tomorrow, why must Nkiruka occupy the position? I thought it's her own group. Why are you worried then? Why are you worried about what she's doing in her own group? That sentiment destroys your first claim that the group is her group. Automatically, you just nullify that claim instantly. Because what that means is that when you say that the group is her own group, you lie to the people. You still recognize that the group is a government for everybody. That's why you are interested about how position is being shared. Why are you not investing the same energy to talk to Ogekere? You just talk about Ogekere own shallowly. You just talk about his own shallowly and you go. On surface, you don't go deeper. The way you are going deeper about DPM. Because you knew the answer. You actually understand that this government is government for Biafra. This is pattern you should follow. This is where you should be. That is why any position that you are, when you talk about, when you see the position, how it's being shared, and who is this, who is that, you are actually bothered about it. How can you not be bothered? Because you know the truth. You don't bother much about it because you know that one is fake. That's number one. Number two, you said that she's in position of COS, DPM, and deputy whatever you say, that the deputy of the Prime Minister of the Nation. That's the way you put it. Both of them are actually the same thing. Deputy Prime Minister and the one you said here is that what I suppose that he mentioned. I'm trying to see it here. He said that she is the Deputy Prime Minister and Deputy Head of the State. That's what I was looking for. Deputy Head of State, Deputy Prime Minister of a nation, and Deputy Head of State is the same. Are you following? They're the same. So you cannot, if you resign and begin to prognose about what is going on, simply means you were being forced to resign. Somebody forced you to resign. It wasn't your intention. I'm just saying, not because of you, I'm saying in general terms, anybody that resigns in any organization, in any company, and still knows about the day-to-day affairs of that organization, that means somebody forced you to resign. It wasn't your intention to resign. Because if you sleep and wake up and deliberate on something you want to resign, you will not be talking about it anymore. Why you actually talking about it now, the way you are talking about it is because you did not prepare before you resign. Let me go back.
Don't know the meaning of Biafra. Ngozi don't even know where the flag of Biafra originated from. Ngozi don't even know anything about anybody in Biafra. All she know about is to come and they steal money, hijack everything. And she will be there calling Samaneta, our prime minister. Hey, he's in Finland. Namde Kane, the same Namde Kano that Ngozo Rabese told us that if that Nigeria want to release
Solomon Wanko, you said that, so you people still listen to Ngozi or Abu Fulani. Okay, so Solomon, who should we listen to, if I may ask you? Genuinely, my brother, your name sounds familiar. I think you are the one that I used to talk to before that later disappeared. Are you the one? You know what I'm talking about? Have we discussed on phone before, Solomon? If you are the one, please, can you, because normally you don't like to talk on phone in public. Can you talk now? Can you tell us who do you think is the right place for us to follow and why? If you answer this question, the man, it is not working. All of you, both you are men on ground, though you are mid, anywhere you are, if you can tell us reason why we must not listen to listen to USB government on God's represent, we must not follow USB government. We must follow who? Tell us who and why. If you can do that, I will respect you. And I have an offer for you. Rose is running promo. And that promo is that if you can come out publicly and tell us why we must not support USB government, we must support social person. If you can bring out any good reason to back it up, he is going to give you 2,000 pounds. As you 2,000 naira, 2,000 pounds. Any of you, starting from Oginkere down to the least person, starting from your mama down to the least person, come out publicly and tell Biafrans who Biafrans should follow and the reason, a good reason. Bring it up. If you win that, you receive 2,000 pounds. With Biafra gets to school, if you refuse, any of you refuse to honor, and then you get on your platform, you have to go to the same platform, or you come here, or you go to Kenena, or you go to Exodus, or you go to Humble Lion, or you go to Rape Biafra TV, or you go to Ada Simon, okay, or you go to Mama Simon, You have to come out, tell Biafrans, reason why we must not listen to US government and God's blessing and listen to you or your own choice. With a very good reason. After saying that you receive £2,000, set ahead. And Biafran will not follow you. Okay, matter don't know that in the bongo. Reason because Muslim can challenge bongo. Don't waste your money looking for me. No need to even send down to risk their life. Come out and bring Buhari out. Buhari, come out. Channel TV, all this your media, interview him and let him speak for food publicly, and I will quit Biafra agitation. Nigeria government is joining for them. So the same offer is not going to you people. Are you following? Can you also? You see, you guys don't want to say the truth, and you know that's why the only thing you guys can do now. Once we send a link for people to join us, you start. You just sneak in. Before they give you mic, you start playing nude video to pull people's video down. On cafe will get a man, una go cry. I'm telling you, una go cry. Una go cry. Because they will you get nothing from evil. We get souls. You can do that maybe 1967, not now. The social media is on. You can't have a man and do the idol record or if Thier by any law or even put on them. I can't bracket an art as you believe. Look at our brother here who go 247 from grace to grass. When it comes to reputation, the man, our brother is nowhere to be found. I'm telling you publicly. Like I said, I used to believe that this guy. No, I have made this argument many times. No, he's not fighting for position. How can he not fight? Watch this video. How can he not be position, my brother? How can he not be position? How can he not be position? Mechanical stand me attack. He's the one recording the video, not me. I see you, USB, my nation, our own sister IJ. Please, those of you that have not followed her on YT, you will show you. Please subscribe to her channel. She's very active now, no? Because before now we were begging her to come to start. She's very active now, uploading steadily. And there, my sister, I see you, my own sister, our own mommy, Madam Origin. I see you. I see your presence. You're welcome, Benchika. Greetings to you, Benchika, and Gerard DK. I see you, Gerard. You're welcome. So many comments. I hope I'm not missing anything. Oluchuwa God is here with us, of course. You can. He said, Ugo, can you tell us your position during MLK and your position during Simon Ekpa? Osetigon. Osetigon. The same thing that the US is asking Master American. How can you be our leader? You are the one spending the money. Oh God, kids are son. They back on Amazon can not a private jet happen in Europe. Meaning the work about the work. The only hope about this agitation. The only hope when PM said that I have a time frame for my own agitation, I map out 5 years. I think 5 years he said, right? So we are dreaming to run this to eternity, and you are here giving us time frame. Instead of them to bring money to do something that will bring Biafra finally, they use that money to buy data, buy phone, give it to people who cannot even, introduce themselves properly to come and run propaganda against PM. According to them, 5,000 people they unleash on PM. 5,000 people to attack him on social media. Oh, what more that's a very make man. Half an hour, PM. Actually, they will start planning on how to execute. Nah, if any, my lawyer, I see you, lawyer, I see you. You're welcome. JJ, I see you, JJ, you're welcome. And Ikenna Ojimba, I see you, Ikenna, I see you, you're welcome. Madam Rogers, Ihoma Meru, Ihoma Meru, Mobiafra, and there Ihoma Demma. I'm a quality too. Solomon is not getting it again. Mazi Kai, only Mazi Samuel Banjoko, and Mazi Namoricano with men on ground. If so, is that why you stop talking to me on phone? Is that why you stop responding to me? I don't know. I don't even know your contact anymore. Is that why you ran away? Only Simon Ekpa, who told the USB government is against Simon Ekpa? That's another lie that I want to clear today before fundraising. That's another lie. Do you know that these guys are trying to make it look like people are that people in US, let me off this, people in USB are against PM. I don't understand what is wrong with that people. You watched PM. He planned to that what this briggy. He cannot be running briggy. The man have time frame. PM made it clear. There's a time for to get Biafra. I have time. I'm not here. I'm not a career agitator. You guys are not dragging about a career agitator. Negenti. You know what if you PM made it publicly clear. I have a time frame for this Biafra. I will bring it from diaspora. Because PM told you there's time. He have his own time. There's a time he mapped out to bring Biafra, which is the reason why in the DS situation and they said they know the Biafra. No, he was counting 90 days. Remember the day when they were mocking people about 90 days? You remember? They forgot that the freedom is not the hand of the US. The 90 days count. People that know the number actually vibrated, they know the implication of that. You that don't understand it, that because you don't know anything, all you know from US is zonal meeting and fundraising, that's all, just zonal contribution and the coordinators dragging power from here and there. PM ended it. He knew that these guys are career agitators. They are willing to spend the next 50 years a year. If you don't know, and after spending it, they will retire and they'll become patron agitators. Like if you want to, after national anthem, if you want to agitate again, after playing national anthem, you now play pledge to living agitators heroes, something like that. Why you celebrating 30th day, May 30th for heroes and heroes, you now map out another day to recognize those who those who are agitating, but they are none of age. You now recognize them also because they are pension. Hey, my bro, I work in mama. I got pension, and in the midst of being a pensioner, I got to coordinator. Touching us, and because that is what they want. PM when they say fire assembly. I have the roadmap. 1 year, first convention in Finland, second one is to declare Biafra. And the map, everything, speed, back. It's not about speed. Down, listen to Paul Achebe, recent video. He's one of the recent videos. That program that Mazi Akwa called in. Paul Achebe complained that PM not about speed. In our time, the same thing Ike Guru also complained about. Honestly, I have other videos to react on. I wanted to combine this program with another program, but this video, it seems like it's going to take me time because sometimes, and please, if you are new to us, please make sure you join us here and subscribe. Listen to this.
Accordingly, do not be faster than your shadow. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about.
I don't know what is wrong with the video.
To say that you are not doing well, then I'm a fool. But stop.
That again.
Walk accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow.
Walk accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow. Are you following? To DOS that time, PM na about Johnson. Not this about speed. Because they couldn't believe it. If I should believe it when they make a good man, I not gonna song. Kineba na why na game here in there. For what one? We are not here for that. That's the problem. Like we again.
Don't follow the rubbish they're talking about.
What is wrong with this video?
To say that that you are not doing well, then I'm a fool.
If I open my mouth and Simon and say that you are not doing well, then I am a fool. But after knowing that you are doing well, like we're getting, the next thing is to stop.
But stop. 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 Simon, I'm warning you, stop.
Simon, I'm warning you, stop. What do you think that made this guy to demand that PM should stop, knowing fully that he's doing well? If I open my mouth and say that you are doing well, then I am a fool. Or if you could hear. They get going to the same PM. PM has his own trademark. Remember, he has a time frame to bring that, and he knew how to do it. That's why he said, I'm going to bring it from diaspora. He formed government in Israel not to remain there and be stagnant like IPOB DUS. Plan Mazi is not to waste this long time. He was actually looking for genuine people to rely on to move ahead. But Nezendi PM should stop. Now PM stops. Even though I know that we are doing well, and if I open my mouth and say that you're not doing well, then I am a fool. After saying all those things, PM will grow them and conquer them, of course. Move ahead, form government in Israel, from autopilot to government in Israel, move convention in Finland, and plan for radicalization. Then all the so-called cabinet and media that plan all those things with him, and I tell you should fall back. Wait until he come back. Or because you move forward, that means you are no longer with him. Nah, and you won't argue with me. My own is, if you know it better, come here and tell us who we should follow. Like our brother Solomon that is here. Thank God that my memory remembers who you are. Solomon, my brother, Solomon. You said that it's Simon Ekpa and Mazi Namdekan. That's exactly what the USB government are. On their mandate, their stand. Not in Continu, I'm talking about the template. The template. The same Mazi that came out and told you and said to everybody that I'm tired of broadcasting. I'm tired. Because he's not here for career agitators. That's not what he's not. Why did he speedily recognize PM? Because now light, you recognize light when you say light. If you on light, bring another light. The two lights cannot quench each other. Instead, they will join together and shine more, right? But bring light to darkness and see what will happen if you will ever see that darkness again. When light that comes, the light that PM carries joined, Mazi Namdekan recognized that light and both of them shined in a very good way, right? In the midst of shining, somebody quenched the data of Mazi Namdekan. PMO, of course, his own light is not viable, it's not questionable. What did he do? He forged ahead. He moved on with it. And he did not hide it. Publicly, he told you, I have a time frame. Even if you don't know nothing about US, he recognized that those guys are career agitators. Anybody today, it doesn't matter how long, how close you are to PM, and you are sounding, oh, USB, they're for, you don't know about speed. The same speed cannot complain with they can have PM then. Go move. When Mazi Namdekan was kidnapped, the same speed that they will argue that you are running speed. Oh, you are no longer with the template of Mazi Namdekan. Oh, he don't listen to Mazi Namdekan. Did the Mazi Namdekan give you all that ultimatum? Anybody that believe in PM and that organizing USB government and insulting DPM, you are a hypocrite and you are an evil person. As simple as that. There's no way you will like this one and hate this one. How can you hate unions and like Suya? How can you do that? How can you hate unions and you say you like Suya? Come on, what is Suya without unions? Think about it. The same thing is you can't take this one and leave the other one. Baba, if you don't be Panadol, if you know be like Panadol, you don't fake what people have already known the taste. You can't fake it. You may fake it, but I'm telling you, no triumph. Or come man, you respectfully be yourself. USB made a mistake. Of course, they're bound to make a mistake. Did the PM made a mistake? Of course he made a mistake. The master kind of made a mistake. Of course he made a mistake, but it dust yourself and move forward. Don't just keep on lamenting and looking for people who cannot even do it. Simple question. Like me, I'm a novice. I don't know anything, right? Okay, tell me who do you think I should follow? Where do you think I should? Where do you want me to join? Oh, I should fall back. Is that what PM represents? The short period that you should have known PM, is that what PM represents? If yes, then why is he getting complaining? Common sense. Imagine you can't get back Eggman. Or back a Mazi Akwa. If you listen secretly to them, like if you tell them that, I not sure. I aircraft or no, you know, we are planning to buy aircraft. We are planning to build a football team. Oh, only you just give him this information. He don't even know you and whom, when and how. He on his camera begin to discuss it. That is what the Eggman. You know, can you give him any security issue? Oh, let's broadcast now. He may not even intend to say it. Oh, God, na gidigba na ya bụ amụbiara na Akwa River Goddess. In that process, we will get the secret directly or indirectly. Sharply, kuyangwe ndị ọ na-abịa igwe nkwa police ha pụta n'ụzọ mee ndị mmadụ arrest. Ịgbabede ma fọm ma na ịgwa sị na ị ga-eyi ego bede ma fọm. Ọ pụta outside ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ arrest. Isi egosi gị na ya ga-abụ that he will be a police officer in a few days from now. I'm telling you, if you ignore these people, they will rubbish you. They will rubbish you. Thank you so much. Njoko, thank you, Ogadreganama, super chat. I see you, Ogadreganama. Thank you so much. Ogadreganama, may God reward you and bless you mightily. I really appreciate it. I'm a use the word of our sister, Madam Morris, the Homa Merege, Guinness, no, no. If you get a coconut, they will. So please, let's go back to Ugo. Let's go back. I just want to understand. And he said something again. Yeah, before I forget that one. Before I forgot that one. I don't want to forget it. He said something here. Is this? Just a moment. Let me bring this down. Because he said he talked about the position of the pictures, image of where DPM put herself, PM put here PM pictures, and Mazi Akwa's picture. That happened to be another problem this our brother is having, right? Good. Remember, they created a new group called PUC, something like that. Let me zoom it. This is a group that UGO247 and his group formed, called PM Ekpa's Unshakable Circle, right? Unshakable Circle. This is the new group that they have created, right? Good. Remember, the problem is flyers. That, fundraising of USB government, DPM put herself up and PM in the middle of Mazi Akwa down. Oh, how can she be done? How can Mazi Akwa be done and DPM is up? The one you guys created for us, also donation. Look at it, contribute for legal work and other ways. I know, look at it, right? Now PM is one here. They put PM here. Okay, this is PM picture. And when you go through all these flyers, is it coming out? Oh, okay, you are seeing it good. Where's Mazi Akwa? I'm just asking no. Where's Mazi Akwa in these flyers? If you go hypocrite now, where is Mazi Akwa picture here? Where's his own picture? Okay, you mean that does it mean that PM is now ahead of Mazi Akwa in your own ranking? This is the current one they are using. If I go and I say, oh, they paid you, you are working for your money. Bring your own money, and I will start working for you. Bring your own money now, and I will start working for you. Look at it now. PM Ekpa's Unshakable Circle. Okay, here. This is their own group. All donations should be made via this link. Okay. Now, click contribute for legal work. You can send your donation receipt via WhatsApp, not this number, which happens to be a man called Obina. Or maybe another WhatsApp, because it seems like the one Obina, right? Because when I saw this from Dr. Agi page think a couple of weeks ago, or was it last week? I can't remember. There's a number, Italian number, that was attached to it. I don't know if it's the same number or this one is American number. The question is, where is Mazi Nnamdi here? Okay, you got to go, where is Mazi Nnamdi here? They will not answer that. They will not. Can they answer that for Weekwan? They're not going to answer that because now Honorable Fulani is not involved. The matter.
It's him. They should keep him. That it is more important for her to go and make the declaration in Finland.
Okay, if PM actually said this, for you to know that it's a lie from pit of hell. If DPM told you in Finland that they should keep Mazi Nnamdi, like just like what you said now, then why did you follow her after declaration? What has changed? Because if truly you are sincere to yourself and you forbid what she said, you wouldn't have been in her midst in the government or try. So you cannot just come out and begin to tell us what happened before. After you actually know that, so you heard her saying that according to you, and you still went on working with her. What has changed? Meaning that what she told about Mazi Nnamdi wasn't a problem to you. Now it became a problem because you are no longer in the government, as if you are saying it now as if that is the reason why, oh, you despise her, you don't like her, that's why you distance yourself from her, that's why you resign. It's not true. You work with her until the issue of position surfaced. Things begin to get sour. Listen.
It is same Nnamdi Kanu you are calling today. Now, Ngozi Oruabueze has belittled Mazi Nnamdi Kanu very too much. Go too far. You go too far in this. See Ngozi Oruabueze on top. Something that
she belittled Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, right? And she went too far in designing and putting this picture. And you actually think that she's the one that designed this? Even if she's the one. Let me tell you, there's nothing wrong with these flyers, and I will tell you why. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that you're talking about is in prison. PM is in prison. You cannot present them, put them in front line. Which is the reason why PM always tell you when he was there with us, I am the one taking decision, not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Don't hold him for what I do. That time, most of the program that PM said is maybe you are co-hosting it, and yet you still don't understand it. How can you convince people with that? How? Make it to make sense. How can you tell me that you have been with PM and all, you know what PM stands for? When the issue of sit at home surfaced, Nigerian government tried to age with a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Are you in support of this sit at home? He said, no, I don't believe that. I don't support about it. I don't support it because anything that is going to put our people in problem or in sufferness, I don't want people to go through all those things. Of course, that's what you expect him to say. What do you expect him to say? When PM Samanapa said that, I cannot take order from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which people don't know meaning behind that statement, the context of the reason why he made that statement. People misuse it, people misquote it. Some are committing crime now, trying to link it up to what that statement of PM. We just trying to balance it and to understand it genuinely. The way you are trying to use that to perpetrate your crime, trying to undermine the reality of crime, which something you can see, will not save you. You know why it's not going to save you? Because the context is different. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in dungeon, DSS dungeon, as of that time. PM was here. He boldly claimed everything with his name. Do not try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because of what Biafrans are doing outside there. He's not here with Biafrans. He said it. He said it. But guess what? DOS was busy pushing that, trying to connect to the extent of even trying to, push Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to say something. Otherwise, they will now bring everything against him, which they have done. That how can you condemn the US that time and you are not doing the same thing that the US did that you condemned? Is there any sense in that? I'm just asking. You know, time is against us, but I will try my best to. Honestly, I have another video that I've downloaded. Is here in the studio that I want to play it because that was, you know, I put the title two titles here, right? Maybe later we may come back on that. But let's just finish this UGO video.
Has never happened before. Something that has never happened before.
He says,
Simon,
even putting the picture of Mazi at all, is it not better than you that put this one? How can you be criticizing USB government for putting picture at all? The position of the picture is your problem. What about you that raising money also, putting your own flyers? And the only thing you can see here is somebody wouldn't like it and PM with them. I'm going to eat the picture now. There's a picture PM here. No, there's nothing like Mazi at all. Look at it now. The one you're using. And in the sense, in this is your video, you still mention this name. Because without you calling this name, this PM unshakable, we call the PUC, that PUC government. I don't know if it's a government or group. I don't know what you call that, but whatever that may be, you guys are. This is where you are, right? Good. How can you bring your own flyers without Mazi picture at all on the PM? Yet you are questioning somebody who actually have Mazi picture. As if putting picture that means, you know, the rank. Since when we started using this kind of this thing to judge who is the leader, who is not the leader. You want them to put pictures of those that are not here, you know, as if they are the one commanding fundraising. If another person do that, the same will come out and say, "Oh, he's trying to send the PM, the Mazi he want them to change the judgment. He want them to buy him instead of life sentence. Oh, they want to send PM back home because of the flyers. Can you see Ngozi design it? Why can't you put your name first? That would have been your line of argument. I know how you guys roll. Had it been that they put Mazi kind of first boldly, for example, PM and DPM down with a small portion, just put. You will still come out. Oh, Ngozi is afraid. Ngozi is afraid. She's afraid. Why can't she put her own picture? Nah, not is going to care boldly. Oh, she want to be the leader.
No. Then if you want to add again, Ojukwu go be down. Ojukwu go be down. Telling you that Ngozi want to drag is not that want. Ngozi is dragging these people to a point of irrelevant so that nobody go talk about them, so that nobody go look at.
Because I'm gonna watch this video. You watch this. You know why? I'm not fighting you. But I want you to, while you are, because I know at some point you will talk about this. I want you, when you will be talking, when you will be responding, I want you also to explain to us of what relevance have you made Mazi to be by putting these flyers? What is Mazi relevance, judging by your own flyers? What is your Mazi relevance here? Or the Ojukwu relevance? I want you to show me how you now elevate them as top leader that you, because you actually love Mazi. Because honestly, I am seeing a different human being. What relevance have you made Mazi to be by putting these flyers? What is Mazi relevancy? His own relevancy, judging by these flyers that you have here. Please, I'm begging you with my knees on ground. Can you tell me? This is your own because coaching. Let's go back again. Don't forget to answer this, please.
Now, talk about Simon Ekpa.
Thank God for PUC. That's a group that I just showed you now. That's what he said. Thank God for PUC. We'll just come and begin to talk about Simon Ekpa. Who is the leader of this PUC? Should I say ghost? I wanted to mention ghost, but I'm not going to say that because I believe that you are actually a member of the, and you are not a ghost. Respectfully, you are not a ghost. But who is behind? Who is the author? Who is the creator? Who is the founder of this PUC? Why can't the person put his or her picture? Are they afraid? Are they afraid? Then you now see somebody who is fearless. Fearless from day one. From day one. I said day one. When Mazi was arrested, Mazi PM was arrested. Even me, that's not in the government, was actually, panicking. Panicking because I was hoping each time I check on Twitter and see a mega gift, the way DOS was laughing, that it's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. I was like, okay, let's see. Hello? Just a moment, please. Hello?
Go and watch before last month. If Ngozi Orabueze and her Chihuahua media were talking about Simon Ekpa. No, they weren't talking about Simon Ekpa until PUC come out. They talk about Simon Ekpa. Now they have begun to share Simon Ekpa pictures, videos. Go if you know my own. If they tell you with fact. If you think I'm lying, go to Ngozi Orabueze's platform. Check January since how many years ago? Since 1 year ago till last 2 months, February 2026. Just check February 2025 to February 2026, and tell me now that we're here in this program, how many of Simon Ekpa pictures or posts Ngozi Orabueze made. Then you come back and check from March last month to today, and also check her media persons, her personnels, or make I respect them personnels, Chihuahua personnels in media, if they have been talking about Simon, if they have been sharing anything about Simon until this last month. And today, she still come out to come tell you, say, these people don't mean anything. See the way, something I have never seen before. Something I have never seen before. How can Ngozi Orabueze be little dragging Simon Ekpa and then Nnamdi Kanu to no effect, to make them irrelevant? Ngozi Orabueze, you know fit. Ngozi, you know fit. They never born you. You know fit. All your works and plans will come to zero. Always, as it has always come to zero. You have worked so hard.
If my wagon car, as in number here, oh, you love me both now. As in number here, I'm a mundi looking both now. In my friend, I go get one. If you could now, you don't bring enmity to this extent. Madabuchi. In life, there are some battles that you meant for you to fight. Some you leave it for nature to take its course. Am I saying you should love anybody? No. It's a personal decision. I can't hate you for hating somebody. You have all the right to love and to hate. I can't dictate for you, my brother. But the way you are dragging this going, the way you are going, it's not good though. It's not good for you. It's not good for your anybody that is close to you should advise you. I'm not saying somebody is coming after you, but I'm saying because nature will go say make here. Just avoid this thing you are doing. Now you don't like you like Master Marcano. According to you, you like PM Simon Ekpa. Then you don't like DPM. You used to like her because of position. What is different between you now and Ogengere and Mazi Akwa? What is different? It's not position. Had it been that cabinet was not dissolved and Biafra was declared, do you know that this fight we would have just we may be where we are today. It will still come out. This fight will come out. Some of us believe that, oh, why did she dissolve the cabinet? Whether you dissolve it, whether you did not dissolve it, they will still fight. The only difference is time frame. They may not start fighting from Finland. That's all. This fight must happen. Because why? PM used to come settle this fight. And CRC have not settled any fight apart from the fight. CRC concentrates, their job is to settle fight between Lazuba and others. Have they settled any other fight? I don't know, but to the best of my knowledge, I have not come across anyone saying that, oh, there's a fight between this person and CRC settled it. The only fight they settled that down is Lazuba, because that's, you know, another thing altogether. Lazuba fight is what CRC is meant to settle. Otherwise, mention any misunderstanding in internal misunderstanding or any problem between A and B in cabinet in the past that CRC actually solved without intervention of PM. Without the intervention of PM. That's why I said they wouldn't have solved this problem. So the fight started on time. Yes, it started too early to people's expectation. But whether the fight would have come up, of course, it is destined to come. Because these people refuse to repent, they refuse to learn. All they know how to do is to make blind argument or healthy argument, dragging some that you get not. You told us that you get nothing from that after you guys are freedom fighters, isn't it? Then freedom fighter with that, you are not ready to fight, but you say you go to your bio. All of you have freedom fighting attached to your profiles. You are bragging because you want to show off. Some of you are actually toasting women. You know, do you know who I am? I am close to PM. That is it. You know, I am this. You know, I have PM number. Is also another plus to toast a woman or to make a new boyfriend. But DPM is not here for that. She was with you guys. She know all those things. She know how you guys roll. She know your weaknesses. You may claim you know her own, no problem. But at the end of the day, the Africans are the one judging. Most of the things that you claim that she's doing, if you are smart, if you are not in position to bring it up, the African will be the one to see it. But you are too forward because of you are eager to drag her down. Your prayer, you pray, you refuse to wait for God to answer your prayer. You begin to act like God. That's your problem. You have made your prayer and your wish is right. Why can't you wait for God to answer this prayer? You chose to come out and begin to play God. And you expect people to start clapping, oh, God has done it through you. No, we know your hand, and you actually know the hand of God. So don't think you are going to deceive us with that. Let him continue.
To make sure that everybody stop recognizing or remembering Simon Ekpa.
Now, judging by the analysis we have made so far, is that what your mind is telling you, my people? Do you see these players as a target against PM, against Mazi? No. If you do, then you actually need the difference. I'm not talking about it. I'm not saying you should go to church. Go to your house and lock your door and deliver yourself by yourself. By maybe you need sober reflection. You need to think deep about yourself. Maybe you don't recognize who you are. How on earth can you look all those things and claim that truly DPM is here targeting Mazi and targeting PM Simon Ekpa? When those things was happening to PM, we used to think that we used to think that this will end here. Little did we know that in Google Kakbasu, they body go do now not get the one. And if I need a music, judging by what you already know, it is easy for us to dictate. We have seen this in the past. That is just the fact. Listen.
You've done everything. Opera work. Ngozi, why don't you let Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu to be? Since you are not recognizing them, why don't you let them be?
Every fundraising, every Saturday. I'm not telling you, I'm not saying you should believe me. Go back to all the fundraising for past since after declaration. There's no fundraising that come like there's no fundraising that US government have hosted that DPM did not mention these two leaders. Go and check. She have not make any press release on video without mentioning these names. Where it is necessary, where it is needed, she always mentioned that. Even me, I asked myself one day, why? How is she remembering this in every, like, she don't forget to mention Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Go and check. I'm not telling you. Go and check. Every fundraising she will talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. She will talk about PM Samana, but I can go to many of you platforms. When did you mention Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in your own program? You said something about Omo Chihuahua. Oh, they don't mention Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They don't share pictures of PM and all that. You can't compare me with you. Mazi Nnamdi cannot compare me with him. You know why? Because you guys are media of the government. Okay? I am not. If I mention, do I have any issue for not mentioning that? No. Must I mention it? It's not a must. I will mention it when it's necessary. Because it's not on me to mention, it's on you to mention. You are the one, your official media, and you are in the government, despite that your crooked run away and all this, it doesn't add up at all to me. So don't judge. You can't force your media team on me. You can't. I've told you who I am. If you don't want, so be it. It's up to you. Am I a Biafran? Of course, 100%. Am I supporting USP government? Of course, I do support USP government. But am I official media? Or no, I'm not. You see the difference now. So don't go there. Don't get close about it. Don't compare. I'm not like some of you that say, oh, I'm not with the man, but that talk about each is when they carry your mouth. You don't eat rat, but rat meat, you will let the tabula to you. Go and catch it. You don't eat it. You don't eat it. It doesn't make sense, my brother. Let's continue. I've told you.
Zori enough. Enough. It is not working again. It is you have criminalized, you have used their name to steal, you have used their name to scam, you've used their name to lie. It is not working again. People are not giving again because they have come to realize that you are a liar, you are a scammer, you are a hijacker. And today, you have come to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa to irrelevant. Making yourself, who are you, Ngozi? Are you supposed to be in the same picture with Simon Ekpa and then Nnamdi Kanu? What have you achieved, Ngozi Orabeze? What have you achieved? What have you even done? What have you started? Not even done, not even achieved. Ngozi Orabeze, what have you even started?
You use the word relevance and irrelevance. That you make them irrelevant. And these guys, these leaders have done marvelously well. You respect their work. So making them irrelevant is by doing something that we outweigh what they have done. Like, I'm trying to understand how she made them irrelevant. Because for you to make somebody look at it this way, you are in a classroom and you sat for exam and the result came out. Somebody that in your class, one of your colleagues, one of your classmates used to come first after exam. the person is number one, right? The person's, nobody get close to him when it comes to his own grade. Then his result is being seen as top all the time. For you to make his own result irrelevant, you have to score higher than the person. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. Let me repeat myself so it will sink in very well. He said that Ngozi Orebeze is making them irrelevant. I'm saying that making somebody who has achieved a lot, like both of them have done, you have to put some very credible work that people will look at it and they will not recognize or remember the previous achievement of the other two leaders. Is that not how to make them irrelevant? In a situation like this, that people count on what you have done and what you have achieved. This in the same video, after saying that, you are not saying that what have you done? You are not supposed to be in the same picture with them, meaning that she have done nothing, meaning that she have not made them irrelevant. They are still relevant because their work is still out there speaking for them. Their work is still out there speaking for them. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, because I was trying to understand why this issue of you make them irrelevant is coming from. Where is it coming from? Let's continue again, because I must not respond to everything.
That you want to make Simon Ekpa and then Nnamdi Kanu make them irrelevant, make them come on for you. So you go the buga, the thief. Ngozi Orebeze, let me tell you, all your struggle and the fight to make sure that when they want to write the history of Biafra, as they will be them in Ojukwu, Simon Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu, you will see Ngozi Orebeze. No, Ngozi Orebeze.
So in your own ranking, you just made another mistake. So automatically you rank Mazi Simon Ekpa ahead of PM. Since that's a crime, you just ranked PM higher than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. I don't know if you noticed that. For sake of clarity's sake, let me go back and for clarity's sake, you are gonna hear him mentioning the same thing again. That's why I have to go back a little bit.
Not even achieved. Ngozi Orebeze, what have you even started? That you want to make Simon Ekpa and then Nnamdi Kanu make them irrelevant, make them come on for you. So you go the buga, the thief. Ngozi Orebeze, let me tell you, all your struggle and the fight to make sure that when they want to write the history of Biafra, as they will be them in Ojukwu, Simon Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu, you will see Ngozi Orebeze.
You just ranking Nnamdi Kanu below. Not me. You mentioned Ojukwu, Simon Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu, Ngozi Orebeze. That's what you are on ranking, and you are making the video to criticize another person.
No, Ngozi Orebeze, it will never work that way. It is not going to work. The only thing that will work is that there are bad books. There is a bad book, not there is a bad book where the bad people that never wanted Biafra to come, that is where you will head. Yeah. I was listening to somebody or say there is eternal life even in hellfire, in case you don't know. Because according to the Bible, hellfire gets eternal life. Heaven gets eternal life according to the Bible. Because those who go hellfire, they know they die. It's saying everlasting torture that they go. So Ngozi, the same way we have the good record, the good book for Biafra, the same way we get the bad book for Biafra. Don't worry, your name is already in the bad book, because Ngozi Ibu go Raobara, Ngozi Ibibi go destroy, go so many things.
So Lazuba, you are making Lazuba look innocent. You are just making Lazuba look more honorable. I don't understand, because This obara sometimes. I have said this before. Propaganda way boundary, in case if you don't know. If you are sure, if what you are saying that no obara, and all that, why is it that you guys cannot present it? Let me repeat myself. If you are sure of what you are saying, and you have evidence, because you must have evidence before saying that, what stops you from presenting those evidences of how she buy people and how she still has hand in Obara? And Obara can go differ. Because last time there was a time Famdi said something that you called her, telling her to bring money for treatment of somebody. You happen to be DOS member, ESN DOS. And she said in public, maybe let me believe that maybe you don't know. I'm not breaking it to your notice. The message that you sent to Famdi requesting for money for treatment of somebody that they later find out that the person does not belong to Ifeanyi Okocha, not DS member. Why can't you come out and clear air on that? Why can't you just clear air on that? Why? Emo so much wow. Agent.
How long it go reach? Somebody want come in. Let me see. He said, ask you able to join. I don't know if anybody want to join in. I don't know. Your audience is set to
One guy, John. Come on, I'm not even the guy. Let me just hear that. Use
watch this live broadcast. Yeah.
I swear.
Okay. I don't know if you want to join. I see a sign here. I see a sign here. So if anybody want to join, just give me a sign and I will bring you in. Give me a sign that you want to join and I will bring you in. If you want to join this, to tell me now, just let us talk on this. Make we discuss. Let's discuss this point, this thing now. Tell me that I am lying. It's not about calling people names. It's not about coming to rant. It's not about lying. I bring facts, and whenever I'm saying anything, I say it without facts, and I say it with my face. Why is Ngozo? Why can't Ngozo Rabueze go on, move on, and stop dragging Simon Ekpa and then Nnamdi Kanu? Why? Ngozi, why? Since when? All in the name that you want power, fame. You are looking for a way to get recognized by Nigeria. It is not going to work, Ngozi, because you have not done, you are not doing. Nigeria is not even bothered that you are there because you are an agent to them. You are helping them to carry out what they are doing. You, Ngozi, you are helping Nigeria to carry out their activities. You don't want Simon Ekpa to come out. I am saying it. Somebody will come out and say, don't mind him, he's my friend. I'm not your friend. I'm not a friend to anybody. If you say I be your friend, they come out to tell me what me and you don't discuss within last 1 year. What makes me your friend?
Kutopia kan sage kuna kutop god. Okuchana. When somebody joins,
Simon Ekpa,
wait, actually for that
again,
guy.
she will come out. Stop. Tinubu, stop. A little meeting, Tinubu, stop. We are a traveling people, sovereign people, my food. Sovereign people that everything that the same Simon you are subjecting to irrelevant today have secured you come and you destroy.
Hi, nah. I'm happy to hear this directly from you. Does this desperate thing look normal to you? Something is definitely wrong with him. Very shameful. Yeah, I can tell you something is wrong. UGO does not look older than his normal self. I don't know. I don't know. It's not my problem, my brother. Thank you so much for your speech. God bless you. May God reward you and grant you all your heart desire. Thank you so much, as wife. Like always, thank you for your support. It must sometime, man. If you may not understand you let me bring my picture. You claimed that she's spying people. You claim that. It is alleged, because I've not listened to that audio of Caterpillar. He also claimed his own. Lazuba claimed her own. So 3 of you. Maybe another person may come up tomorrow. I'm not saying, I don't know. But Nkenji go to me no. Nke Caterpillar Nigeria want to move no Lazuba can rebel Korea. Or play the video, play the voice. But to play that voice. That's why I have to mention him. Anybody who claimed that, oh, this Ngozi buys so person, we buy so person, she buys so person, please make it public or bring it to WhatsApp if you're afraid to use your platform to do that because of the committee guideline. Share it to us. We will help you to publicize it. I think like Amnesty International, you will see reports of Kandia, Manugu Manandida. They report all these you people's claim. We have not seen that to Amnesty International platform. And you guys that have direct access to that, we are yet to see that from you. You know what does that mean? It simply means, in my own judgment, what it means that you guys are the one buying people. That's why you have all this evidence, and only your eyes can see that. That's what it means. How can it not be you that are buying people? Because you are the one to know, have the witness, you have the evidence, you have the proof. Bring it, That's a play of video now. I will talk about it. The DPM come and answer also what is going on. Is this true? Now why are they so go on you eye on the ground. We also come from the same place. We have people there as well. Like we also have eye on the ground. So it cannot be you. The beauty of the whole thing is that we are not seeing through you, through your eyes. No. We don't see through your eyes. Your eyes can claim to see anything, good and fine. Our eyes also can see what we want to see as well. So not only you. The same thing that US did to PM. Go local, get the cheap. Ghana here maybe a boy state Mona Nugu. I'm not going cut off 4 or 3 pack and go 2 by 2. We'll plug, plug. That's a stand cut off record there. Some of them boys. If truly they don't know what they're doing, why can't they buy rice? It's expensive. We'll media propaganda. They bought okra, cut okra. Blue 2 by 2, 9% cut okra record there. But I know, see, my people, they are forced to sit at home. Oh, my buying a local. Gotcha. The farmers, they cannot even feed their children without selling something. In Katokro, go to Katokro, pack, we make propaganda. Now, an empty place, a very lonely place. Budete born on my ha, but say is nana, you know, with my boys. Find me an don't you know to say sit at home. So tell you to sit at home. Tell you to sit at home. Yeah, but my boys. Because we have eye on ground as well, we're able to dictate it. Lazuba ada igbochu. Kedu ife mere oju ya na ebe ko diga borrow 5 and 6. I'm asking you. Don't worry with video Lazuba ga were touchlight kwa ofuma. Oh na tata fundraising. I can maybe back again because okukare. I'm telling you, these people have vowed to rubbish our sense of reason, and the only way to counter it by exposing them. Personally, anything crime, DPM bracket and main on a point and K, I will be the one to run. If you goes to Ebrankia, Ebens, you will know the joke with human blood. Ademati, Thier Kanamba. Ebrazin are causing the watch and a man can cause. A book and I pitch you before no, I can name. He got some mother. What if maybe you yes, I believe that no, you believe yes. I will start looking for you for what? I can't do that. And all this was that's what DPM have been doing. That is what she had been doing. The same thing PM did that. Apology of Achalugo should be an eye opener to many of you. If you are not here when they were attacking PM, maybe you were obedient. You are being exonerated. You are okay, I understand. But this is an opportunity for you to know what happened in your absence. And I believe and I expect you to work towards that. Do not allow, they are mocking US government that, oh, nobody's bringing money. Let me tell you this. Come and shame them by bringing money. Again, I've told us, there's a video I made, I think, was it not yesterday or the day before, I've forgotten because so many videos can go. Where I was able to share a little story, what happened. One of our sisters shared a picture. Let me tell you this story because I'm rounding up, because this is almost 7, okay, 7 p.m. because of fundraising. One of our sister shared a picture of somebody who they tortured to the extent that the legs are not something to write home about. I wish that Mazi Henry never. I wish that Honorable Henry, I wish not never, because open on our watch, please put a comment. I will send a link for you to bear me witness. They reach out to government about this person. Or Army, USB, more different, to be honest with you. But because of that now, this is one of the things the Africans are going through as we speak. The picture yourself. In fact, I'm the picture. Thier in my WhatsApp group. Yes, I'll put it in WhatsApp group. That picture, this our brother. Bona if I Korea don't be silent. Na ebe jia. Opoto da ga woja. Obroko I some no ga lo si o. Nke abụọ ndị ọ na-aga ọrụ ejitia. Oh, you look like a Biafran army. You look like you know, that kind of thing. Something lead to one, one thing lead to another. Like that guy put that our brother dread drop. Put that enemy video. Go to switch this guy. We put a bunny inside. All USB with the get a treaty now. In our water, you don't understand. Equal humanitarian fundraising, not just for saying sake in the world if it did. No, it's not true. It's not true. Somebody joined UGO247. I would like to know what that guy said. Let me
Dianya, they look at you. How many people they see?
Where is that guy?
He's interested in. Is
I think somebody joined him.
Make money. Some fools we go and still give. Anyway, to be on top, only those who will not understand.
Please, don't worry. I'm searching if I can. There's somebody. I thought somebody joined him.
We are watching you. It's not only in Gozara, you know, Rich.
It's not even
Say someone is coming to speak. You have some lies, fake people everywhere. But if somebody from my family tell me, say, if the US have gathered again, if I
because of
and my hands will always.
We are gonna, why? I'm trying to see if there's somebody that joined him.
Until Ngozi Oraveze tell him, if you no come, shame on you. I don't know who. So today, if you in this Biafra, Ngozi Oraveze, they are standing on their. Okay, you're welcome. Can you hear me?
Now let's hear.
Can you hear me, Dan?
The guy is here.
Yes, I can hear you very well.
I'll go into it.
Udodi, your voice will not important. Every not important. Yes. Okay. The important thing I want to know me he kuru.
Okay, so I think we issue because all get our DPM and the Mazi letter. Our Mazi, our PM, Mr. Wons to get our DPM continue. But I need to focus all those things in that time. Report to Biafrans.
Okay.
Because this movement in Albania now, I the white and white and water than snow in our now. Now, all these things name, according to you, it's not this things name. Those times in Ghana and the name of that those things, those faults from her. Why a reporter to Biafrans or you check it until the day he departed from them? He knows for all these things. Here, what I mean at that time, the Biafrans rotate you on because I won't have no. When I forgot many things. Why me put at that time? The Biafrans on that time. Why is it here until now? Yeah, number one question today. Yes, number two question today, now. Some days ago.
I take care one after the other.
Okay.
Inesum.
And then this is more than 5 years now.
Okay. Now. Okay. Emma one the jogging Inesum.
Yeah.
Eminem explain all these things in our journal. Go me explain more than 10 times.
So we
now. To Biafrans, everybody.
No, you did not. You did not explain it yet. That's what the
explain. Otu in our roar, Ebony in our roar. Sherenu, Gerenu Monteno. One Gerenu Monte, or wage you Majuju, Quanum Saga Jujuno.
Okay.
Go me explain. No Macoragia in a brief. I will just be brief, maybe in a minute. Ogai no with Ngozi Ogai Batara. And when somebody no Finland ana bo Ushe. In Mama's Ushe, in Moya Ushubi. Good. Ushobi na agwaye na yala Simon ne-ekwu. Mwa na Ushobi because Ngozi na-eme oge Ngozi si ka sign anya undertaking as the deputy head of state.
Exactly, official. He
cannot sign it. Till today, I didn't sign it. I called Uchobi.
Uchobi get you one number. Uchobi has nothing to do with this question. I'm just being real.
Why Ngozi Sisika Asani at this thing? Or say no, ni any law na Simon they are aware. So the lies and deceit with the people we trusted was the reason why we never knew that Ngozi was a liar, a hijacker, a criminal, to the point that na ha beragwa na ha chota go lawyer. Okay.
I wish na for this na daughter. I just there's so many things to say on this video. So many things, I'm telling you. And one of it is this argument that this guy just dropped, this question that he just dropped now. Very, very powerful one, because Uchu that some of these people. How can you use Uchu be a warlumber? You are a man, you're a grown-up man, my brother. You stand for your own decision. You made a decision. If truly what you are saying now is what you know, why then join in and ask this question even when I started this program? Why? Now, after you had issue with government, internal problem, but about which I don't know. Okay, after this agreement, you decide to resign, then only your eye begin to open. And our God is wonderful, isn't it? And the only time your eyes can open is by resigning because of one or two things, position, of course. And all of a sudden, which will be the knock or cause of the can't do living in bondage. How can you bring Gucci with this thing? This is something that you know, Baba, you know, and you actually know the truth. Which will be sick, which will be asking, really? So, which will be later called you lately and say, you know, that thing I told you before is no longer the way I said it. Tell us what opened your eyes then. Why did your eyes open after you must have resigned? As if no problem. How?
Okay, all their evil agenda boss the day Simon Ojire court. That last court. Because how I go the lawyer. And the main phone.
This happened to us. Can report you are an evil man. You will never know peace. Why did you cut what UGO247 is saying? Whatever you do, you shall reap. I have laid curse on you already because you want to curse me. I lay curse on you, and so shall it be. I'm not gonna lay another one to you because I'm not. I don't talk. I don't talk like that. I don't talk like that. I've told you. I've warned you many times. You don't want to learn. You don't want to learn. God we do the judge. We do the work. You cannot just come here. I don't have any bad intention. If you know me, I'm the only person that can play. No, that video of now they play like when somebody is saying unbearable things about USP government. Some of the things that sometimes if I'm playing it here, our brothers and sisters that are in USP government will be the kind of report, yeah, to stop this, don't play, stop this, don't. I'm not like that. I will play it because I know I'm searching for the truth, and that truth is what I don't sentiment anything at all. And I don't do that. Anything you want to, if you think that I'm here, I pause UGO's video. I'm told you I want to off because of fundraising. I'm actually rushing it. I was supposed to have ended it by now, but because of this person that joined, I want to know what the person said. I didn't play this video to this extent. I just played it about 10-15 minutes. I stopped, and we are here asking me, guy report, why did you stop UGO? If through that I stopped what UGO was saying because I don't want people to hear that, then whatever you say shall be. And if not, you will be like what you want your enemy to be. Maybe you feel you know whatever I say, whatever I'm saying, I always check myself. And I'm actually before Thier no, na bro go now store so you know the kagi. He said you think in the man they go in a cover evil. A cover evil will not be standing the way I'm standing. My daughter need to so myopic, you don't see anything. People that know me know. You must not handshake me before you know me. The way I talk, the way I put my word is enough for you to know. More in what it takes anyway. A cook. What kind of report you have? Why did you stop what Ugo was saying? What do you think Ugo will say that is more hurtful than what Lazuba said? You know, what you sow, you shall reap. You think you are not going to reap what you are doing on conversation? You actually think that, especially after listening to my program. If you listen to my program, if you listen to Kenenna, you listen to Humble Lion, you listen to Exodus, you listen to Ray Biafra, and Mother Simon, after going to these platforms and knowing what you already know, and you come back to voice out, man, I don't need to curse you. I'm telling you. People that if you go to Canada platform, you see him playing videos, connecting the dots. That's what he do. The same thing I do here. The same thing like Humble Lion is doing. The same thing Rebecca is doing. The same thing Jesus is doing. Everybody's doing that. Why? To touchlight things for your own betterment. I watch a blue cabin, match your brain again. They buy in a workout report to Chineke Bochagi as a Bakwali and off. It's a bit about my Are you stupid?
The raising, I'm on the night chata. Emene fundraising more than 2 times, plus inside the cabinet for the lawyer. Ngozi Rabeze with you should be nando to have na ha chota go lawyer for Simon. So let us see. Cabinet the shop na lawyer ha chota kwarao. Na ha chokwa lawyer and somebody volunteered from America.
My brother, Triple M, I greet all of
Pastor
you.
Pastor Jonathan, Jechota lawyer from Finland. Uche be with Ngozi, Ejekona Ivona to stop him. Say na ha chota go lawyer already. So the man would say go nke support okwa.
Thank you, JJ. Thank you, I appreciate it.
But Simon who just record to kai shop that. No, but the same lawyer government in Simon. Finish government in Simon. Cause Simon no can use. And now just go see how far. Which will be how far.
Those are blessed. Thank you so much.
So how do you want me? So no government. And problem. Ngozi maybe.
Imagine if this is a brother is not and void. As long as you are saying it after resigning. It is not, you had the opportunity to present it to the extent that Biafrans will hear you. You refuse. You chose to go out and begin to talk. I told you, don't do that. You said no. Who am I to stop? All these things that you are seeing today is meant to happen. Like I told you. Don't think because of DPM, because of the way that the cabinet was dissolved. Oh, that's the problem. It's not a problem. It is not a problem. These guys have been gangsters since day one. PM will overchain Naka. I'm just telling you, this is what they do. Either to all things now, what the so guys can even manufacture on one group today. If you match up, Oti no kita na little ima ifo kachara chimia. Iganubuna, Iganubuna, Ima or kachara, Iga, wo Iga, one our big. If you say one good organ, when I'm go one ass again, but no cacabe, I get up and I call that. If you machakana, we are here when the US started their own shenanigan. We watched it, we followed it, we know what happened. If for child does it, email there's one man I have paketa. No, this lady season, and I call that. Imagine you get explain Thier. I'm just telling you. Also, Batachagi put it on them. Ibu in our force. Don't lap you faith in a motor by a motor. If you love PM, this is what PM is. That is what PM will represent. That's what PM will stand for. When PM formed autopilot is to end career agitators. Anybody trying to renew career agitators again is a suspect. It doesn't matter where the person come from. In our Judas was one of the apostles. He was one of the apostles for a reason. If any member is no, and what you don't expect an answer to sabotage you. It's gonna come from within. Don't report. Even now, Do you know PM? Yes, you know PM, right? Good. What do you think PM should do? What do you think he should have done after declaration? Falling back? Answer now. Is he falling back? If you can you answer? If PM happened to assume that PM was here and he joined declaration in Finland and Biafra was declared, then PM will now turn around and say fall back. Or if is that what you can PM declare Biafra and fall back? PM, I played the video of Ikenga. Now, not about speed. PM gets the wire. Lapi fed the moto. Buy a moto. A like PM, DPM. DPM at that church, so that nowhere. And you are not in Biafra movement to marry her. Okay? Know your boundary and do the right thing and hands up. Leave the rest for Biafrans to see. Some of you don't know that you are Biafran, not Biafrans. You want to act and talk like Biafrans when you're supposed to talk like a Biafran. A Biafran is different from Biafrans. You can't represent everybody. That I don't like the way you are eating your food does not mean that I have right to stop you from eating food. I don't like it is my problem, not your problem. Eat your food, enjoy yourself, enjoy your meal. But the moment I begin to eat the other, eat the pattern. Don't eat, don't chew. You need to swallow, don't chew. That means I'm looking for problem. Automatically, I'm looking for a problem. You want to tell your friends who to believe on without putting logical sense in that. And case again, even my father will not do it for me. He can't do it. That's me. Everybody wired differently. Everybody, that's the way God will create us now. Ajugum Gajuja, if PM happen to be here, do you think PM will say fall back? You want to of Masajuja. You want to go? Oh, car report. This our brother that joined him asked a very important question, and this our brother will go because he started dangling. Stand in one place, stand not just working. Now, which will be that's like. So he pocket and have 12 way in the marital affair. Which will be told me that I should enjoy myself and my man. Therefore, I pregnant another woman outside. Now, you know, a question about them. But you guys will come out and begin to insult yourself. Please don't. Nobody should provoke me. Yeah, it's so irritating.
Mistake. Apotam biakoya na public. No. Otu nata na. Chere. Kumi hineku.
He kwesịrị as a true Biafran, as ihe a kpọrọ ahịa bụ na anyị dị whiter than white and whiter than snow. You don't have evil. Mazi, our leader, Mazi Nkiruka, you don't treat cancer. You cut it off. As a member of the cabinet, he kwesịrị ịpụta.
Yamane na anu ihe ina anu gemonti shere eno ihe nkuru now. Gide ka nkuru ke ihe mere ge explain now. E mere ge explain that na when I found out when find out ni ihe niile ha na-ekwu wase mgbe Simon ujire court.
I greet all of you.
Go get hapụrụ
Peace is here with us.
Yeah,
Jesus loves you. Yes, he loves me, of course. He loves all of us. Peace, I see you.
No. After the court Simon, after court Simon, can happen Ngozi.
Okay, now our job is very important. In my sister, you have our DPM. In a go and I got this school. You use the pattern figure everything, and we have been waiting for this position for a very long time. And as government has it now 2 days ago, they are going now. Now, if you go to Naka and if I go to the school, and that day, everything from beginning to follow me now, it has to follow your life program now, it has to follow that day from beginning to end. But after everything, I watch it again.
Hello, chere, go do chere, cool down, chere, Ele should come back again.
Okay, you should be one that you expect. I was a more because many times
No, going here or you forget ya onye chọrọ nụ. Ihe chọrọ ka ngwa gị.
Ihe mere to me go that day na every I follow your comment that day. It's in time me for the RGBM schools. And he go the pattern figure. And the here mere to me go that day. I say they have even DM our PM what going to make solution. Only get solution, only get fact and figure. Only go to the India.
Ya ka m na-ajụ nwanne chere nụ cool down. Ihe niile cool down chere cool down. Ihe niile m kwuru that day na ihe niile m na-ekwu since ndị ahụ awụ fact and figure.
Evidence, no evidence.
Edu the evidence ị chọrọ nụ ya ka m na-ajụ gị chere nụ cool down. Nwanne cool down. Edu the cool down. Listen chere. Anụmanụ like ịkọ nkọ. Achọrọ m ịjụ gị ajụjụ cool down. Elu the evidence ị chọrọ ka m jụrụ gị. Elu the ị chọrọ ka m gosi gị vidio ọkwa ya.
Him down. Kenga. When I called the embassy of Finland here in Canada, I felt stupid. I felt stupid. I felt stupid.
Hey, God.
The cabinet. Secret meeting the legacy. I am
Ajụrụ gị very simple question now, chere. Ajụọla gị very simple question. Ị na-edi ajụsụrụ m chi ime gị attend, but na ahụrụ m na gem ntị chere. Ihe awụ my studio. Ịbịa jụọ chere, ịbịa jụọ m ajụjụ, ị chere asa gị ya. Enwekwa ihe m chọrọ ịjụ gị ajụọ gị ya wee interview. Abịala kọwara gị ihe niile merenụ otu o siri mee. Esi na ọwụ eziokwu. Until I don't whatever there now or ebe dị na video gosi gị until you believe or before you believe or ya. Ihe niile m kwuru chere cool down. Ihe niile m kwuru since enweghị nke believe ọkwa ya. Ajụrụ m gị ajụjụ no agwala m anything. Ihe niile m na-ekwu chere.
Make una no blame me on my origin.
Ihe niile m kwugoro since in resign enweghị nke believe Robbie. Ichi ịza m ajụjụ listen chere cool down. Ajụrụ m very simple thing. You believe ihe m na-ekwu very simple. If you don't believe it, you leave it. If you don't believe what I am saying, happy, you are very simple.
About Simon Ekpa, it's not bringing him down. Kenga, when I called the embassy of Finland here in Canada, I felt stupid. I felt stupid. I felt stupid.
Oh, thank you. Obidoro today. You know, start today. If you know, you know. I'm a bono also. You are wondering that, eh? Oh God. And now God no. Hey, God, I beg you.
Bringing him down. I just asked you a simple question. People who come to me and they tell me, Chidi, stop attacking Simon Ekpa because Simon Ekpa is the one who is actually raising money and funding ESN. That if not for the ESN that Simon Ekpa sent to Ozala, they will not be coming Ozala. If not for the ESN that Simon sent to Okigwe, there will not be peace in Okigwe. If not for the funding of ESN that was done and ESN that Simon and Autopilot was funding, they went to a Hamufu, that there will not be peace. Are they correct or are they not correct?
No, they are correct. Let me tell you the truth. They are correct. But I'm telling you.
You are disappointed. You are
Hey, God.
than your shadow. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about. My mouth to say that you're not doing well, then I'm a fool. But stop. 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 Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Stop. Walk accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about. If I intend to open my mouth to say that you're not doing well, then I'm a fool. But stop. 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 Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Stop. Walk accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow.
Ocean Master asked for a link. I'm just saying that on. You should have asked me on the comment section. But I don't know if you are still here. Ocean Master, are you still here? Ocean Master. I don't know Ocean Master. This is of Ocean Master. Are you still here? I don't think he's still here. I don't think he's still here. Okay, let's go back to. It's because of fundraising. I would have dropped link.
Chidozie, you're welcome. Chidozie, Noya. Chidozie, can you hear me?
Fundraising. Now.
Chidozie, can you hear me?
Fundraising. Okay, maybe one or two people. Let's just manage the minutes.
Anyway.
Let's just manage the minutes. Let's manage the minutes. So just please, anybody that want to say anything, just jump in. Let's hear. Let's hear from you.
Na ngozi ọra bụ eze bịanụ ka nna ka ndị shọni na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu ichetara na ngozi ọra bụ eze jiri wepụtasịa vidio PM mere ebe oge ha mere some things were mee ha expose si ngozi ya wepụta the video na nna atụ asị ya wepụta the video na ebe ha discussed about the fundraising for legal fee Simon Ekpa si ngozi ya wepụta the video na mụ na-atụ asị ebe discussed na ha nwa achọtagolo ya for PM. Ịghọtala ihe niile wu asị gị si ngozi gaa gwa ngozi chukwu.
Abeg, it don't do. Who is the first? Ocean Master, have the mic sharply. Because can I have you again? No go. Can I be okay?
Ndewo Mazi kai. Nchamele. Kwani ka river goddess abata go ya?
River goddess never. True em ne ko eba.
Ngwan, nyali river goddess for mic first now. This for again. Oh, okay.
River goddess.
Ocean Master nwanne m ekelekwe gị. Ha dede m adala gị n'ala.
Ndewo ezigbo nwa ada ndewo.
I don't have much to say. I just found out one thing. When you live the truth, you will change. UGO really changed here.
Yeah, he changed, honestly.
He doesn't look like the man that I know.
Yeah.
Meaning, sin decays the bone. Arorala, nenye mmadụ, peaceless peace. And the one name nwoke anụnwa batala ebe a bụ another mmụọ nnọọ ụdị mmụọ nke m ga-asị butere ya nnọọ o nyere UGO tough time. Achịgide m ọchị ekwero m ya ọjọọ UGO agbaga n'ebe uche nọ uche ka ọ jụrụ gị zaa ajụjụ. When you were there, why didn't you come up with this? The spirit of Biafra is strong and doeth mighty things. Mbobona onye ọbụla hapụrụ wee ribe ngarị, the spirit will come after the person. And when the spirit is dealing with the person, if ọ na-eme ada adị mma, I drop it here. Maazị Kai, mma sị mbọsị ọzọ ka anyị finish because mma like ajụjụ nwa a jụrụ ya maka hit suru ugo, even o mechara ị na-anya ugo ama ma ofu anya ọ tapịwara atapịwa, ọ da afụchazi ụzọ mma, ọjụ katazia ya ugo chizara aka ya na abọ n'isi hit na-eme. So we finish the program. I drop my mic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's come up also. Ocean Master, are you back?
I'm already. You see, Lady Nkiruka, I greet every Biafran Mazi in Dewo for this wonderful program, and then River Goddess with Akwa Kenedia. Udeha na Demba. When a Mazi I my go do now this kind of a video. Ike woputani ambo basi Adam Maki is work Marifonia. Tinye on na onye wepụta wenye aka ya sị ka agụnya so I go bro. So let me first of all thank that our brother that asked him question. I love people like that. Very simple question that he asked to go on our bagari. UGO247. Thank God that meeting a link. That means I know how you and I program kind and does. Because we pleaded for you to do program on your channel and put link. Call Biafrans to come in. And the little one you've done, you've seen the outcome. Just this, our brother is very gentle, very calm, and I think he loves you so much. He asks you some, slight questions, very, very simple questions, and then bagari too. So Oga come, Tinekwa program, Tinekwa link, Waka Biafrans. We will visit. Okay. Now, UGO247, what is this? Is it that you don't understand English or you don't understand Igbo that you speak? Also, give me evidence. Evidence means fact and figure. For example, UGO247, you are going on the road, a car or two cars collided or have an accident. You take a picture, you have video of it. Accident evidence for example, UGO247. Then when we bury alone when a boon on a mad no one in a boon, you will have video, but yeah, and we hold back. Or somebody's mic is on. So somebody's mic is on, eh? Somebody's mic is on here on the studio. So UGO247, I see with that evidence. The evidence on that you know why video na evidence you video na. Now you keep on telling us that Nangozo Rabeze sing Kangozo Rabeze. I just see one single evidence, just one tangible evidence. Now that you was in cabinet for years, UGO247, you was with Dr. Ngozo Rabeze. Okay, never my conversation or never the meeting I know with Nyaman. Never DPM could Yagibuna Ma Simon Epa. On na Biafra, na declare, na de declare kwazia, on ya get destroy ENA. Then Biafrans will take it from there. The lawyer, in a could telephone raising for lawyer, Nunimenka for lawyer, me na UGO247. You are not talking to kids. You are in cabinet. We were outside, but we have our brains intact. Yeah. Now, DPM said many times on the program that United States of Biafra have put lawyers. The choice is for our PM to make his own choice, and they stand no. UGO247. You did not hear that. UGO247. You did not heard when Dr. Ngozo Rabeze went to Finland and spent a couple of time there. On her way back, the day she left, she said she's leaving Finland. That she have been finished her vacation. And when she came back on a Saturday like this, when he was addressing Biafran, she said that These people that are blocking Biafrans to go and meet our PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa, she give you an address. She give you a way to make your request if you want to meet Biafran, meet Mazi Simon Ekpa, so that it will not be here said. These people will not continue to deceive you that nobody will see our PM. What do you say about that? And the same people that was blocking Biafrans, telling lies that PM said this, PM said that, the same people that use their influence to make PM, to put PM where he is today. Because if not their blockade against Biafrans toward PM, their blockade against United States of Biafra towards PM, the condition, the situation that the PM is today in Finland by the serving the jail term would have not arrived. But look at it. What do? You jump with them. Now you are singing praise of a lawyer said, lawyer didn't say it. You are lying. You don't need to tell us lie because we are old enough to know what is going on. UGO247. This is time of fundraising. Mazika is running this thing too. If not, we have a lot to say about you. And I hope Mazika or any other independent media will bring out this your program so that we will analyze it and do another program. When you are doing it, please tell us that you will put link. We would like to talk to you direct. We would like to, welcome you, embrace you. We would like to, chat with you on your own channel.
Master, your time is up. Thank you so much.
Sorry, my brother. Sorry. Thank you, Mazikai. Thank you, dear friends. Let me listen.
Triple M, please, Triple M.
Onye bụ nwanne m ewo danda ewo onye bụ nwanne m ewo danda ewo Tayi bụ nwanne m ewo danda ewo Oshom bụ nwanne m ewo danda ewo Viva Goddess bụ nwanne m ewo nwanne akarị ifuru this program aye opụta yoga we need to stretch it.
TV because I'm make it cool.
You need to stretch it because you take me back. Why not about war?
Okay, I will get back.
You take me back. Why not about war? Bossy Simon, also Chidi Manyango. No kwokuru. That talk. If you did this freedom, if you follow this movement, that period, the Hinda will not be nothing, will be nothing for you. It was again after the Hinda Megana. Because that was when the heat was very, very hard. Oh, Kaibiko, I get married here. Nenu Mazugo. This is why he has been running away. Lanya in warm up on a window. On a 10 minutes video. 5 minutes video. Now, I'll show him a live video. This our brother Bachola ya Umrikoga also. Mazugo because ayoka na yo come. Tige me live program tige linki. Aju nwanna ya nwoke ajuru gina agbari waju aju nde kindergarten. Just relax. Also your evidence. Also mere our DPM exposed. Remember onwe ihe gwara yi Ishimuruma. You told us that in 2026 you are coming in full force in January. Kamba Horona Yahoo Gina by more. I wouldn't go much. As Gamma they get this. Let me allow other people to add their own view. Mazikai, because program conversation, we need to revisit.
I am sorry
on a platform.
Give me this short period of time. I got best return leg. Thank you so much. Greg, please just permit the door. What's the name of I don't go from the door. The door, please, just 1 minute. Thank you so much.
Hello, Kai.
We can hear you.
Okay. I'm on. Say album. Yes, and I'm be a newcomer because if this name I be. But
25% of the class the one.
But I'll be following you back to back all the years, But sometimes I don't like to come inside the studio to talk. Mana onwe ihe move nkịta na nji wee say, okay, let me just comment because of this guy Anabo UGO247. Actually, this guy is an illiterate. He's a typical illiterate. Because illiterate, but the way this guy is reasoning, all the too poor, you know, he's reasoning the too poor. See, just look at a common question, Mmadụ jụrụ mmadụ. Because you were borrowed that nane on a cabinet. This is the question that this guy jụrụ. Just simple question. Because you were borrowed that nane on a cabinet. He raised for all these things. He raised the alarm. Being in the cabinet. Ihe mere bụ ịgbapụ iro, resign or gbapụ iro, jeje n'iro, jeje na-eti mkpu. Ọ nọ dịka somebody in on a family. You know, your family, my wife, your wife and I complain, no, do to another, no, do to another, me, her, instead of each one, honey, who ever home, no, see, Keko say me, Keko say me, Keko say me, he happened here, a Bapuniro, Jenny, Timbu, see, Bakubia Jirega, see, Bakubia Jirega, Leku, Maganeme. This is not done this way. Here about you this guy, this UGO247 or hapo ajụjụ Boma Uche no na Finland. I don't get it. And secondly, this guy, because only just hide there inside the cabinet here. Only just hide there inside the cabinet. Nobody knows him. Nobody knows what he's doing. Any position Obato Obiye inside that cabinet. Even sometimes Obato Obiye, during that time Obato Obiye no na Twitter page, na Twitter na broadcast. Obruno UGO247. Obato Obiye will never even give him the chance to operate because all you see anywhere, all you not go anywhere, no one how to operate anything. And another question to read Jugukita na about TV. Kai report. Keko si we Bruna. This guy, because I don't know God na say na ya teach gasrono auto seme operate all this social media something. Or in here on a display back it now, or in here or this attitude or this character now on a display back it now, or this character go you wait teach you know this social media something because but teach because automatically only be illiterate, only cannot even read. Even so I because this is Barangario.
You must stop.
Because this is Barangario. Because only Anna Fuenya, about answer Fuakita now on a Kuokua. He doesn't reason about somebody in a reason very well. Sometimes when you look at him, yes, sometimes if you look at him, you put that in a mental son. Only America, suppose you know
they don't. If every this program everybody matter, I don't mind go war. You got to go. If you just maybe analyze it on the every open every naga book they come open and about war. I don't mind that.
No, what?
Mazi guy, Japa.
Because
negenti. Ima abum someone ine oputo we Ghana and make analyze. In other oye munya kugolo gwa before based on this. Okay na wata. Na ka report na ya mugosi muwa mugosi eso dos mugosi na eso ga gwa gi you eso see am ke eso kuma
because obu no onya
and so what
mugosi ro na ihe a Emmanuel now
no, my brother, hold on. My brother, when you were talking, now, Mazikai. And so what? What does that mean? No one go see Exodus. No one go see 247. No, Kevin Nago. No one go see Humble Lion or whoever. What sense does it make? One more than go see mother. More than go to mother.
No, but
Hold on.
the level of intelligence, you know.
Contact through Exodus. First time. He called money I can no or create a WhatsApp group. Thier model. I am not the WhatsApp group. Then that WhatsApp group kind of near. Go say how to stream like this. The day about the program, I was there. Humberline was there. Ada Salmon was there. Exodus was there. I think Roselle was there. I can't remember. All right. Then Obute a platform about real stream. Instead that Namo had interested in because even they used that time before, not laptop. And I'm not the program. On our hanging, I can't even join. I bet you quit from that platform. Exodus will make a person to say if I also and I'm going to see motor part the thing. Exodus member now what if I need to show the eye of ma and see okay. Truly, Exodus is a motor and due to course baby more the thing. So that stream now both Exodus mama we know the user. Even the use stream yard. I'm going to spend the kuna.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, we put a secretary saying that I'm going to see how to stream. It's not through the one in the use stream yard, not restream. Restream DJ from stream.
Yes, Mazi, because anyway, reason you just 1 minute. Mazikai, you see, Nana, there's one thing I believe in so much life. When somebody was telling you that Ngozi, your madam. At the time I said yes, not my own madam. The person can go to hell. You understand? Truly your own madam. She's my madam, and I'm proud of her. Now, the same way I'm telling you, what you go saying about now, it is for me, it is inconsequential. It is irrelevant. Complete. You go, what is your channel doing? Even today, can you now compare it with Kai report on hold on now. Let me express myself so that you don't do it to me.
Let me finish. Let me take my time to finish up. UGO247. Nyamara that na no G ID. And that ID OG. Enyere na Finland. Onye enyere na Finland. Ọ bata obi enyere the ID. Ọkwụ Ngozi Orobeze jiwe enyere the ID. Ihe njuwe na-ekwu all these things bụ na this guy bụ UGO247. Onye enweghị akọnuche.
If you got what I got my brother before me for about on me no gonna ugama how to no that go see ne madifa. And now what I don't go see.
Oga see happen. Oga because see happen whether no go see because I gama in a way I gama in a way that no go see I gama in a way. Shere I gama in a way that no go see how to operate this thing. If that na I come in that way, it matter to know why able to nobody who operate because onya na na cannot teach anybody anything. Only have brain of teaching anybody anything.
Even now, personally, let me put my camera here. UGO did not teach me how to stream. So, but I'm someone that like about unnecessary work. So,
nsogbu adị anyway ka m kwuo m ihe m chọrọ ikwu ekwucha na m gede. Another thing I want to say is this. Anụrụ m mgbe this voice note na-apụtasị ibim na anụkwuru ya na nke ekele nna onye ọbụ kpọrọ onwe commander, you know, mụnwa afọ the reason why eji wee nye commander ife atọ na ihe ọ na-akọwa according to nyanwa na-enyere tax na-enyere command what to do instead of a commander ijeje mee ihe agwara esi ya mee ife atọ na agwara esi ya mee anything ọ hapụ ihe agwara esi ya mee gbapụta n'iro na-akọkwa ofu akụkọ na agwara esi ya je eme ihe dị otu a agwara esi ya je eme ihe dị otu a. You see, sometimes I don't know the kind of Biafra, you know, people na dema. You see, Ngozi Erebeze here is here in United States. Ngozi Erebeze ano na Bongo, ono na Biafra land. And in the end, I have na Biafra land. The Bundo Pore na phone say yes, I will do this. I will be able to do this. I will be able. Onyo jokuru immediately. Onyo face to face. And I say, okay, can their capacity. How you are going to do this? None that and I go say, look at my capacity. Look at what I can be able to do. Also, okay, go ahead. Let's go. Let's do it. Then only maybe by the end of the day, what pata ni you na call in here his in order. Huh? Onye kpọrọ onwe eho commander pụtara n'iro na-akọ nonsense ife atọ na gwara ga gije mee anything. What is your job? Ihe bụ your job?
My brother.
O nwere mgbe Ngozi bịa kpọlite gị gị bịa ka gị ọkwụghe kọntaktịrị Ngozi ọpụ na atụrụ gị achụ ọbata obi etụrụ gị achụ ma still this woman nwee the sympathy of bringing you in again. Ịnọkwa na egbapụta n'iro na-akọ ihe enwe isi na ọ dị ka Biafra ngaga ntị ọ Biafra mmadụ ihe niile this guy na-akọ bụ rubbish ka ha bụ. Onye akịta na who is Caterpillar, who is him? Onye ka ọ bụ? Nya show ni face ya ka anyị mata onye ọ bụ. Ayam onye ọ bụ. Ayam onye ọ na-ekwuni. See, all this is to stop. Ihe niile ha na-eme should stop. I say men on ground. All those men on ground now, where are them on the ground? Hanos on the ground.
Are they very bad?
Hanos on the ground. A single person who wipe her out. Nobody is talking anymore. Nobody is doing anything anymore. And I bet you that those people, men on ground, none of them was on the ground. Most of them were in Cameroon bush. Everywhere had they make a video. I said, Hano on ground. None of them was in the on ground. I need deceive getting them mad. You see, look, I won't hear any more showabuna. No expect from Ngozi. Ngozi, in trouble. This year, steady as now, slow and steady now on a mebu hintro until Obato Biapata. And anụrụ ihe Ray Biafra TV gopụtara this morning. That thing is a very good. Now that guy is supposed to put on a big platform. So I go keep preach that team. That's anụrụ this morning about Ngozi that na otu ndị mmadụ si eje na enwe ihe eji emegbu ya. I don't know. That thing supposed to go viral. Open that guy and we keep it with a very big I commented in na platform Kelena this very morning. Mana Kelena no how to do that. So that team all guru this morning, the very, very important. That thing need to go to the ears of Biafrans. That Biafrans matter what is going on. Matter that now this thing now, this woman name abụghị ihe eji akwa ya kpamkpaka anyhow. So aga enwe ike bụ ndị Biafrans nwee ike ikwudo this woman gbara aja n'ukwu ka onwe ike na-aga.
Ndewo my brother Banya, thank you so much. I will ask him, You know,
Because
thank you so much.
thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
I don't at all. You know,
Thank you very much. Because Ugo 247 na no way you on a teach. No, you are illiterate.
But Olugo Mazi man can come kita just kata ka just ba. Because nga ga call ya of ma. It's up to him or not to call ya.
It's all right.
Thank you. I love ma.
Mazi ka enwe ike meti iti onye egwu fela si ko teacher, don't teach me nonsense.
Greg, let's have the mic. I position was on a joke.
Yeah, Mazi Kai, good evening, my brother.
Hey, good evening to you, sir. Okay, after you, after Greg, please, you take mic because we have only less than 20 minutes to join this fundraising.
Yeah, Mazi, my greetings to Ocean Master, triple, my Ike Jesus.
Akwalam triple G. Akwalam triple G. Because
Triple M. Mazi John and the Don. My greetings to all Biafrans. We thank God today again. And we thank God for our lives, the life of all the Biafrans. Thank God for the life of our brother and our leader, Mazi Nandekano. Thank God for our PM and our perfect Dr. Ngozi Arabeze or DPM and all the cabinet and the medias. My greetings to everybody and my prayers will continue on you guys for your good work. Yes, my message to Ugo is that Ugo na-aṅụ Igbo. Ugo 247 na-aṅụ gay. Ka m kpọọ ya ihe ndeba ihe na ọ na-aṅụ goof. Ka m kpọọ etu esi akpọ ndị na-aṅụ ihe n'ala be anyị. Ugo 247 na-aṅụ goof. Ọ na-aṅụ akịrịka. Ugo 247 na-aṅụ ọgwụ. Because enweghị onye nwere brain dị intact nwere ike na-akpọ ụdị agwa this man na-akpa. I'm telling you. That is. I'm not just saying it as a saying sake. Ugo 247 na-aṅụ ihe ọṅụṅụ. Onye ọ na-adapụ ya ga blood test wepụtara ya na screen ka ọ na-aṅụ 247 Igbo na goof na akịrịka. I'm telling you. Number one, I remember about last week, it's supposed to be last week, our brother Rose mere exposition on mere wee sị na mgbe Ugo 247 reserve na akpọrọ meeting ha wee jụọ Ugo 247 ka ihe bụ reason ya o ji ya resign from the cabinet and o ji hapụ this thing. They asked him why. Ugo 247 never told them that Dr. Ngozi Arabeze was killing people. Sorry if I use that word. He never told them that she was a criminal. He never told them that Dr. Ngozi Arabeze is 419. He never told them that Ngozi is sabotaging Mazi Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Not at all.
That was not the reason.
No.
He gave him a complete different reason that have nothing to do with the exposition Ugo 247 made today. That is number one. Because we don't have time. Just want to touch some certain things. When Ugo 247 waited, nobody recognized him or called him back or tried to do whatever. He became angry. And he promised Biafrans, I will come and expose Dr. Ngozi Arabeze n'ọbụ nke a n'ọbụ nke a. All the whole expositions on him all this while. He never come and tell us that I contribute to the ego Dr. Ngozi Arabeze buru ya ọhọ ya lawyer. And Ugo 247 in that cabinet donation emere eburu ego ahụ ole ya nwa donate. He did not take the Biafrans. I donate m ego nọ otu a in that cabinet. And then I bring this man is a complete evil. Biafrans, you must know that. Ugo did not come for Biafra. He was only pretending because he was getting money from Biafrans. Calculate how many times UGO247 went to Finland for anything. It was only from Biafra money. Today, Dr. Ngozi, whom you are calling a thief, if Dr. Ngozi, Biafra had contributed money and used that money from that Biafra purse and do anything personal, any allegation and any cause you lay will go to her. But if Biafra have contributed money and you go 247, you have benefited from that money from one way or the other. Either the equipments you're using, either the trips you have been making, or any Biafra have given you money in the name that you are fighting for Biafra and you pocket it and you use it to buy food for your family. You are laying costs upon yourself.
You say
And the things that's behind you. Because sometimes you people will be coming out and they be talking anyhow without knowing the foundation you're laying against yourself. Because Dr. Ngozi doesn't come on the media and start talking. Why are you wicked? Why are you evil? Why are you evil? Why do you choose to be evil? Many people have come on this from the time from the Mazi and the Kano. If things do not work with them as a leader, with Mazi and they will go out and they will go on their own way. Come to this type of Simon Ekpa. They will not working with Mazi, Simon Ekpa, they go on their own way. Now is Dr. Ngozi. If you could not work with her, fine. You should have gone on your own way. Mr. Chus is still every day he make broadcasts, exposing Nigerians and doing other things. That is a wise man. That shows I could not work with Dr. Ngozi, but they cannot stop me from fighting for Biafra. That is what Mazi Chus is doing. Not a person like a hungry man like you. You are. In fact, you are too poor to my liking. I'm telling you, because every day you expose yourself that you don't have hope. You put yourself as a hopeless person. I'm so ashamed of you. Honestly, many things to talk about. Look at the question that was asked you. Why are you coming out now? He started calling a man that doesn't even know that you are existing.
I wonder.
You can never step up to any level to Dr. Ngozi. She's bigger than you. If you resign today not to do this work, she is bigger and bigger and bigger than you.
1 million
salary
times.
The salary of her daughter, you cannot get it in 2 or 3 months in Spain. So why can't you recognize that this woman is more than you? Instead, she's using her energy and her money to put. You have been benefiting from Biafra. The equipment you are using is not bought those things on yourself. It was bought from Biafrans. Tell me one single thing that you have spent or afford for the use of this battle. And every time you will see somewhere calling Dr. Ngozi a thief, a criminal, it is very easy to call somebody a thief or a criminal when you are the person sucking for the blood of the Biafrans every day. When they go work and come back, they will contribute and you benefit from there with your ticket, with your equipment you're using and everything, and dashing your money. Because there was no source of getting money anymore, you became
jobless
angry.
person, non-Europe.
Fool. There's no need. Today, this program is a lot of things that are coming up this week, but with both the so-called you foolish caterpillar and the rest of them, a lot of things have to be. I pray that I will have the opportunity to join when you make those programs again. Because these people, it's not by practice. This guy is a pure complete betrayer. If you are a defense, if you are a security man and a military man fighting for your nation, and they give you assignment And a tax to carry. And if you see that that tax is not good or is dangerous or it cannot work, it's not something you bring out on the public. That shows you they're working for some people. That shows they're working for people. You are a complete enemy of the freedom. That doesn't mean that you come out. And I bet you this woman can never assign you those kind of all those are cooked things to set somebody up.
Impossible.
But God will set you people up.
He can never assign her to do such a job. It's impossible.
Useless man. Everybody was against him. Even these people that are using his program now to attack Dr. Ngozi. That's I know that all of them cooked all the whole thing up. Are the ones who have been complaining that this man is a sabo. And this is since Biafra have started, this is the highest sabo to the highest level. This caterpillar, I'm telling you. But somebody to come out and start talking all these things that he's talking, he is a pure. So there is no nation in the world that any security man or army will come and say, this is what this is sending me, no matter what. All these people fighting in Iran today. Do you think all the whole military want to go there and fight?
Oh,
Do you think all of them want to go there and fight? No. But they have to obey. The ones that cannot obey, you can resign.
My brother, you see, my brother, you see, what you're saying, what you said is just pure and fact, because I sense, Caterpillar have a very bad woman and character.
Oh yeah,
Caterpillar may be, you see, there's a program that Mazi did where he played a video that Vam was saying that they are rounding up on Dr. Ngozi Orebeze, and I think that Onyala France said so. What do you think he meant by that? It could be that this is part of it. They are trying to set our DPM up via this men that are exposing themselves.
They are not gonna succeed on that one.
No, they will never. I just said it. They will never.
Greg is still here. Greg, you are done with your point, right?
Yeah, Greg is done.
Okay, let's hear from.
Yeah, but I'm done because we don't have much time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you for noticing that. And Igalason, you are no longer.
Please let me say one or two things and let me go out.
Ike Jesus, Ike Jesus. Just make your point, please, before we give mic to John. Okay, well, please. Fast. Okay. Ike Jesus.
Greeting to everybody. I want to say a few things to UGO247. UGO247 has become a shadow to himself and the Nkitara Koboro Onwea. The only thing I would tell UGO247, he have told us what is his problem. He have told us what is his problem. His problem is not that Dr. Ngozi Orebeze did not give him a position. His problem is because Dr. Ngozi Orebeze make sure that the way they behaved during the time of the Samonekwa, he did not give them that opportunity to behave like that. And that opportunity they have during the time of Samonekwa, Dr. Ngozi Orebeze shut all those opportunities down, because this freedom have wasted a lot of innocent blood, and the 80% of them don't care about the innocent blood this freedom or this movement have taken away from Biafra land. They don't understand. The only thing they understand the benefit and the gain that benefit from this movement. UGO247 come out and cry that his platform have sacrificed his platform. Imagine what UGO247 is saying, that is sacrifice.
My brother, your network is not helping at all. Ike Jesus. Okay, John Okanwa, can you give me 1 minute? Let us hear from Igala son. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, just 1 minute. Let's hear from Igala son because he's having network issues. He's making comment from Bongo. Igala son.
Okay.
Or Igede son, sorry. Igede Neku Igala. Igede son. Igede son, unmute your mic. Okay, John Okenwa, please have the mic.
Good evening, my brother. Good evening, everybody. All protocol observed. Can I reach a power because now time I had Hosrai. There were few things actually equal about it. Let me start with the one of Kesin Yabu Katapire man and device na Okaf and Ebuan Keta. Afi Yabu Katapira, no just no Afoji Ekonoko nonsense on Ekonoko na social media na Anabiafa. Ịghọtago ọ chọtara onye ọya eme o jee chọọ okoke afa ọ ya bụ ekwu ha na ka ụjọba ndị mmadụ ọzawa katapira n'ile anya efu na these people obi adịghị ha mma since our DPM jechara Finland bata so ha firo na ewego ọrụ na akpago ha so ha maazị another thing ha nwere ike ime so the only way to go na bụ ha wee bịa use kasị ya bụ katapira wee bịa kwu about Finland so that ka ha mara na ewere ike stop eje Finland again, which is not possible because they don't have any evidence. Ịghọchi ihe niile ọ na-akọ there is just ka wee wike wee mana ya commit ha chọrọ ịma na from white painted haired woman ka ha bidoro wee kwuo ihe gbasara Finland skwa Finland asị ha so na-achọ ya eji wee konukie mana ya wana onwe ihe ha opportunity iweta anything eji wee mee implicate and they watch kwa ma voice note also record if na owe anything over there because I get money ka mmadụ here also voice record boss here record we anything for there open anything on there so those things can never work because nebere mo Biafra na that woman can never go in vain. God say, call upon me in the times of trouble, and I will answer you. And and God is answering the prayer. So, Biakwa to this white painted woman, I get a program here. Unfortunately, they be in our Charugo. Obrugo Zaje Kuru Charugo, boy and a phone, Kunuko, Korea. Mana Charugo, Imana, the other time he get one and say, Yajikon, why not come manage wine or Febe went. And even at that program, over Oraptachaga Charuga weba also. So Opa Oriado or do we and the woman no we watch you on the Konoko when a Kumaka Catapira since now Okumaka Sinaka Catapira Keju yes na USB. So in nature
this why
no they will gather together against me, but in one way, but in 7 ways, they will scatter. Kezebe fall back. The fall back here, of labor for before. Ebe kono, I gather one place. Now has scattergo. I gather with the Eggman. Nna has scattergo. Each of them one a deti. Okay, kele adanege kele o. Back go na apota. Each of one. So all those things. Oh, ego. My brother, no, abroad, they can do anything.
John, okay, well, I get John right tomorrow. I no come off tomorrow. Can we get John on
No, God
bless you. God bless you. And we have Igedeson. Are you there? Igedeson. Because he gave me a
Yes, can I go ahead?
because I want Mama to talk before
Yes.
we end the
Can I
program.
go?
So please.
Can I go ahead? Can I go
Yes,
ahead?
please go ahead. Make it snappy. Make it snappy.
Okay. Even if I did not say any other thing, let me drop this latest song that I composed today. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail everybody. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. Dr. Ngozora Beze, what he said, he will do. He will surely do. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. Chukwoke Kabiama. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. What he say he will do, he will surely do. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. Right from the time I became to know you, he'll never fail, he will never fail you now. When you put your trust in him with the whole of your heart, he will never fail you anymore. I am saying, I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail everybody. I have confidence in the Lord Jehovah. What he say he will do in your life. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. He has never failed you before. He will never even fail you now. Believe it. What he say he will do, he will surely do. I have confidence in the Lord who can never fail. If I don't have render any other one, this is my latest compose today. To all the Biafran, to our DPM.
Gonna ban any deliver studio Ketata and Kesh. First give Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
And
you,
Mazi, I drop a voice note to you. I don't know if you have acknowledged it.
I have not. Maybe you did when I was why I'm still streaming live. I will check on that after the program. Please permit me to do that.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so
okay,
much.
God
Thank
bless
you. Thank you.
And,
Thank you. God bless you.
And okay.
And we have our own mommy. Mommy, please unmute your mic. Mama Stella, Mama Simon, please. Let's hear from you. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. We cannot hear you, ma. Unmute your mic. Hey, something is wrong. Mama Simon, we cannot hear you. I think your network is giving you problems. She's back. Hello, ma.
Are you people hearing me?
Yes, we are hearing you now.
Hello?
Our network. I'm not going to be paying me. I check and bug in WhatsApp.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I ain't anything, man. You don't hear us. You don't hear us. You don't hear us. I na-anụ ife na-ekwu mana ide anụ nke anyị na-ekwu. A na-anụzi ife na-ekwu kịta. Anyị na-anụ ife na-ekwu mana ide anụ nke anyị na-ekwu. We can hear you now. Biko kwuo ebe a na ọ ga-aka mma ka anyị gaa fundraising. Ọ netwọk na-agba isi akwara ife ahụ.
Ekelele m mmadụ niile. Mazi ka anyị nwa m ji eme pompos. Ụmụ niile nọ na United States of Biafra. My precious sons and daughters.
Thank you. Thank you.
Renew my life every day.
Yeah.
Ekelele m ọnụ n'ụzọ pụrụ iche.
Ndewo.
Nwa ọbụla na-anaghị anụ ọdụ nne na nna.
Asana ishina maha anundu modern ismusu abaye niile.
Exactly.
UGO247 one of them. Agwara m ya ọ na-eze awara awa kwe n'anya maka ofu onye be anyị sị na okwu a na-ekwu na public adịdọ m ikwu na general, mana abịara m gwa ugwu kwuo ya na general kwuo ya na public, ya wụrụ ka were ihe niile na-ebili na asị dị ele ha na-abụ ya money, the love of money is the root of all evil. Biko ka mmadụ ịgbara gaba na mgbe ekelele m Chineke onye kwadoro ọnọdụ ata, kelee Nnamdi Kanu, kelee Simon Eba, n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ka m na-ekelekwe agụ nwaanyị Dr. Akwa onye shiwere na ya na-abụ onye si mụ na ụnụ kwugetọkwa okwu Biafra taa, maka ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị ya nkata niile ahụ akpara ọ ga-ata enwezighị onye ọbụla na-ekwu okwu Biafra. Ihe ị ga na-enweta awụ mkparị na akụnụmọnụ. Dr. Akwa nyere anyị the key of go ahead. Nyekwere na anyị olileanya mgbe olileanya gwụsịrị. And Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Eba, they will ever be grateful to her. N'agbanyeghị ihe niile a na-agagharị, ha bụ niile okwe ha bụ na okwe ha. UGO247 ka m agwa unu the main problem ya oge nkere bidoro kwụwa ha ụgwọ Ugo $400 first and the second, according to Yama. Ya jụwazie oge nkere akwụọla media ụgwọ. And mgbe ahụ spirit of Biafra ebumnuche Ugo o jiri m ihe ahụ ọ na-ele anya ọ bata na United States of Biafra na Ngozi Orabaeze nweziri ike na-akwụzi ha maybe $1,000 instead of 400 na ha ma nwaanyị isi ọcha. All of them old media were also ihe ahụrụ ha nwe ego ma ndị oge nkere nyere $1,000 ọ sị m na na-abatali ego onye nyere m $100 ọ dị m mkpa ụgwọ million. So ụlọ onye niile nọ in diaspora na-abata ego gbanye onye ihe dịrị mma onye ọbụla nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ o nwere ka ha chịrị nọ nke UGO247 nwere ike bụrụ ofu onye n'ime maka nwoke nwa ihe ma nwaanyị nwa ihe tupu gị pụta kwuo ị ga-akpọ okwu aha aka chebụrụ onwe gị echiche tupu gị mekwe n'ihe ọbụla i mere ma wee aktị ihe ọbụla ị aktị ị ga-ele anya n'ihu le anya n'azụ le anya n'aka nri le anya n'aka ịbasị ọ bụrụ na m kwuo okwu ele ihe ndị mmadụ ege ọrụ na mba agwa ya elota ga-esi ahụ
Mama, ịgbana because I forest na-ebido zukwe ka anyị ga-ya na John zukwe enugo ewene gị.
So na nchịkọta UGO247 ọwụọla onwe ya bara o mee na onwe ya rice.
I tell you.
That is the end.
Thank you so much.
You guys here to fundraising.
Yes, so thank you, my God bless you. So to everybody here, please, I encourage you to switch on, join us as we are going to start up the program without wasting much time, not even 1 minute. You are going to receive the notification. Even if you don't receive it, please check on our platform here. You will see us live again, bring it to you, fundraising. God bless you and take care of yourself. And those of you that give us super chat, if you all of us on comment section, starting from Margaret to everybody, all of you, God bless you. And those of you that join us on studio, thank you so much. I appreciate it. See you again. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.